Order is your my lord.
आर साइड दावा थिला ना
Munda uthile. That 324 my lord. 324 2 years permission.
Aye, aye. Yes.
Straight order go.
Okay.
Judgment go to this one.
ठीक है
My lord, I filed a restoration, my lord, due to my health condition. I could not appear on that day, my lord.
2013 मैटर हेल्थ कंडीशन केते सर आपण अपियर करन से देखबी केते अपियर करन थिले हेल्थ कंडीशन थरे सिना खराब हो
से दिन बहुत देह खराब था। डेट फिक्स करा दो। प्लीडिंग सर ऑलरेडी
आसी नथिबो क्लाइंट कांटेक्ट करन थिबो पडी नथिबो
ना
आउ केबे डिसमिस हेतलो
my lord 197
ए 19
196
ए
bless
रेस्टोरेंट लिस्ट थर्ड
This is the page.
my lord.
ठीक नेक्स्ट
Item 2,
2
may I please your lordship. My lord, the petitioner has an innocuous prayer in this matter.
व्हाट इज दैट इन क्वेश्चन
My lord, the fact is like that on the private land of the petitioner, the opposite party number 3 is making construction of road. To that effect,
where
my lord, that's my at annexure 1, my lord, that is my ROR. In this property,
कोठी जागा
জায়গাটা হচ্ছে
कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट
রেঙ্গালি মৌজা ছুঁইপাଳ ଜିଲ୍ଲା ଝାରସୁଗୁଡ଼ା।
कोन होई छी आपन रास्ता
ସେ ରୋଡ ଗୋଟେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଉପରେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କଲେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 2 29 ଏପ୍ରିଲ 2024 ରୁ। Till that they have not considered that.
टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन लैंड कांसेप्ट द
His prayer, my lord, 1 minute. His
My
prayer
in
is
this case,
that, to consider his representation. That is his prayer. Who will consider it?
Time
And the opposite part number 3 is appearing. Mr.
I'm
Sarda
appearing.
Prasad Sadangi.
I am appearing.
He is
for
also
the
appearing.
proposal.
ए रिप्रेजेंटेशन
ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେୟାର ସେଇଆ
ठीक और
ପ୍ରେୟାର ତ ଯାହା କରିବ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ନା ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ
जा कंडीशन डिस्प्ले
In this case, I am appearing for opposite party 3 in all the cases.
ए भाई रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोजल ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ସେ हम कोन
ସେଙ୍କ ବିଲ୍
नहीं,
ଟା
नहीं, नहीं, ठीक है,
କୋଉ
नहीं,
ଆପରେ
सब-
land acquisition କରିଛନ୍ତି କି
फॉर रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोजल
नहीं, 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 let them dispose of, but I am appearing for that.
ମାନେ ତା ବିଲ୍ ଟା ମୋ ବଡ ଭାଇ ପାଇଁ
challenges the election of the but not two for not considering the representation of regarding the forceful and acquisition of the land and making the road above there by TRL effective budget number 3. Though the petitioner has given the representation on page kete
representation page 13 मिलो annexure 2
OP number kete
OP number 2
OP number 2 collector
my lord.
OP number 2 but the said representation on 29/4/2024
My
but
lord.
the said representation is still pending and without going to the matter this court direct the collector OP number 3 OP number 3 to dispose of the representation within 1 month from today.
Deeply blessed.
ମାଲ
And my lord, we may be given an opportunity of hearing. We may be given an opportunity of hearing.
Representation by कोन opportunity hearing mo छाड़
नहीं, ସେମାନେ କିଛି କହିବେ ପୁଣି।
ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କ ଇଚ୍ଛା ମୁଁ କେବେ ସେ ସେମାନେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପାଇଁ ଶୁଣିବେ କି ପଢିକି ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଯାଏ ଦିସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଶୁଡ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏ କୋର୍ଟ ଆସନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଟୋଟାଲ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରିଦେବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଡ୍ରାମା ଚାଲିଛି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ବେପାର ଚାଲିଛି କୋର୍ଟରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଡୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଏଭର ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇକ ଦ୍ୟାଟ
ଗଲା ତ
Connected matter
ଏମିତିଆ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବେନି ଯୋଉଟା
connected matter please your lord.
Here, my lord, the petitioner filed an application before the collector, my lord, by ventilating his grievance that the private opposite parties has encroached the government plot, which Kisama is Gramya Jungle. Initially, it was a Patita, and subsequently, it is a Gramya Jungle.
is it a
My lord,
PIL
who are you
My lord, I am the villagers of the
PIL
said community.
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
My lord, because
କୋଉ ପାର୍ଟର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବିନ୍ଧିଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ ବିନ୍ଧିଲା
now the
ଟାଉଟର
encro-
ଯାଇକିରି ଅନେସରୀ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପୁରେଇବ ଅନେସରୀ ଜାଗାରେ ଟାଉଟର ମାନେ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି ଚାରିଆଡେ ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିବ ଆରଟି ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଷ୍ଟ ଏନଏକ୍ସର 3
my lord, page 18. With reference to CM grievance cited above, I am to say that Dasharatha Gorei, present petitioner of village Gambhiria, have placed a complaint regarding the narrow path from the Gambhiria Bhumij Mausa Sahi to main road due to encroachment issue. Therefore, Tahsildar Bohalda has been informed about this matter. My lord, thereafter, my
That is
lord, if-
internal communication.
ठीक है, but
Internal communication, my lord, it is fit case for
Some-
PIL.
maybe PL, but one thing also let me see. Because of the mode, he's filed a different mode, we should not ignore that complaint also. If somebody has
We are
encroached
sitting in a
also,
writ court.
government would take action against that person.
Read court.
Writ court সেটা ছাড়ানো এটা procedural. Procedure should not kill the substance. Here procedure is killing the substance. So you inquire about that, what is the encroachment, and file the report. Let the
Come.
Tahsildar
Hmm.
of which Tahsildar?
my lord, Tahsildar Bohalda.
Huh?
Bohalda.
Tell him.
Bahalda.
Bahalda,
My lord.
district,
District, my lord, Mayurbhanj.
Mayurbhanj. Inquire into the encroachment as alleged by the petitioner. Encroachment by opinion number 3,
Open 4, 5 and 6.
opinion number 5 and 6.
6.
As alleged by the petitioner, and file a detailed report with respect to such encroachment within 1 month from let him and at the time of visiting the said land, the village is a panchayat.
My lords, there is a panchayat.
Let the village एक गांठा पंचायत की नहीं
My lord, my lord.
let the village sarpanch and other gentries of the village, including the petitioner, be called to the spot. No,
Oh, bless.
and the Tahsildar himself shall ensure that a proper verification is done.
He'll do no inquiry. अपन डायरेक्ट कल तक तहसीलदार को
Proper verification by
हाँ,
council.
हाँ, हाँ.
तहसीलदार कौन करे अमीन गुड
ଆଉ କାହାକୁ
ପଠେଇଦେବ
ଗୋଟେ
ଅମିନ
କହିଦବ।
ଯାଇକି ତାର ଏପଟୁ ପଇସା ଖାଇ ସେପଟୁ ପଇସା ଖାଇ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବନେଇଦେବ ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ କି?
You-
ମାସେ ପରେ ଆସିବୁ 12 ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ହେଲା
मार
12 September. Every time we can't say that this matter because somebody villager is coming, therefore should file PIL. It's not proper also. Sometimes we have to look into the problem also. This is very common in village areas. ସବୁବେଳେ ଲୋକ PIL କରିବେ ବୋଲି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ.
आफ्टर गिविंग नोटिस ऑल्सो द अपोजिट पार्टीज कर दियो
ହଁ, giving notice
सेटा कर दियो
also
प्राइवेट अपोजिट पार्टी
notice the time of verification of the spot. Next,
Item 4.
4.
Please, your lordship. The petitioner is a landless person, my lord. By the annexure 3, he submitted an application to settle the land in his name, my lord.
Why?
By the annexure 4,
Why?
my lord, he is a landless person, my lord.
Landless person.
Landless and homesteadless, my lord. Your lordship may kindly
ଜଣେ
see-
ନାଁରେ settle ହେବା ପାଇଁ what are the criteria?
Yes, my lord, criteria is there.
Which criteria?
Section 7(2)(a.
Let's see.
Yes.
ଆପଣ file ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Your lordship may kindly see. If the encroacher is a landless person, my lord,
କେତେ
they'll
ବର୍ଷ
have to
ହେଲାଣି
be
encroach
set-
କରିଛି?
ଘର ଯେତିକି କରିଛି
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି?
since long, my lord.
କେବେ?
40 years,
40 years.
my lord.
କୋଉଟା
RI has also submitted the report by the
Seven,
annexure 4.
seven.
7(2)(a. Clause A. well. If it is an occupation of a landless person, the Tahsildar will try to settle him on that.
Kete area?
6 decimal. Your Lordship, I can see answer 4, page 14. RI has also submitted the report that he is a landless person and he is staying on that.
Page?
Page 14, clause 4.
Page 14.
ଆବେଦନକାରୀଙ୍କର କେତେ ଜମି ଅଛି ଘର ବାଡି ଯଦି ଥାଏ କେଉଁ ମୌଜାରେ ନାହିଁ RI has stated that ନାହିଁ. Then your Lordship may kindly see clause 14 last. ଦରଖାସ୍ତକାରୀ ଆବେଦନ କରିଥିବା ବୃତ୍ତିର କିସମ ବସ୍ତି ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଅଟେ ମାତ୍ର ଦରଖାସ୍ତକାରୀ ତାଙ୍କ ପରିବାର ସହ ଉକ୍ତ ବୃତ୍ତି ଉପରେ ବାସଗୃହ ନିର୍ମାଣ କରି ରହି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି.
Take notice.
Mal.
Narragansett State to take notice the matter. First settle. The petitioner who is a landless person who had challenged the action of the Tahsildar Chandwal. Which is the eviction letter?
Annexure 5.
Eviction letter ନାହିଁ.
Earlier notice was given, subsequently they are
Different,
declared.
sir.
Challenges the
This is appellate.
notice, notice issued by the additional Tahsildar Chandwali.
On କେବେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 25/3/2022
ନାଇଁ subsequently ପୁଣି ମାଇକ୍ରୋଫୋନ ରେ ଆନାଉନ୍ସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ evict
ସେଇ କଥା।
କରିଦେବେ। ଆଉ ନୋଟିସ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
ନୋଟିସ ନାହିଁ.
ଆପଣ 22 ର ଟା ଏବେ ଫେଲ
ତ ନାଇଁ ଏବେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
ଠିକ and the is constrained to approach the court in view of the section 7 2 of the Orissa Prevention of Land Encroachment Act, OPLE, Act 1972. No? Issue notice in such government that notice be issued to the opposite party. 2, 1 and 2, 3, 1 to 3. Also, waves of notice on behalf of 1 to 3. List the matter on September 11th.
ମାର.
Obligation.
Next.
ଆଜିକାଲି
OPLE କାଢିଗଲା. OPLE ଟା କାଢିଗଲା. Next.
Honest,
Item number 5.
my lord, here the petitioner has not taken any loan, my lord, but he put signature on some papers, my lord. Now the bank has made him the co-loan, my lord. Your lordship may kindly issue notice. Let them reply, my lord.
Reply they will, but no, his notice, his signature
नहीं,
is
ମୁଁ
there.
apply भी करना है लोन पे apply करना है किसी को
And he might be saying, but
Oh.
anyway, issue notice to the
obligation.
by registered post. The petitioner challenges the name of the petitioner as co-loaning guarantor from the loan as he had no role in loan with the account number same so and the petitioner therefore plays for a who delete the name of the petitioner from the loan. However, the bank has not taken steps to delete the name of the petitioner. So choose the notice to opposite party. In this bank.
IndusInd Bank.
You give a copy to Mr.
Yes,
R.C.
yes,
Pandey.
my lord.
A copy of the petition we served on Mr. R.C. Pandey basis in this bank. So, and OP number 3 may be served on registered post. List the matter on 12th August.
Obligation.
Next.
Item 6.
6, my lord, here the residents of a colony in Chandbali NSC, my lord, handed over a road to the NSC and NSC developed the road and opposite party number 3 has encroached. When the residents approached, my lord, the executive officer ଭାଇଡା
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ରୋଡ ଟା ତାର ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ ରହିଲା ଆଉ ଯେ
ନାଇଁ,
ଆପଣ
ସେ-
କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲେ?
ହଁ encroach କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଆସିଛୁ
No. You have given the road area to the government.
NSC
NSC.
my lord.
NSC ତାପରେ NSC ବୁଝିବ
ନାଇଁ
ଆପଣ
NSC ଡେଭଲପ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
NSC କଲେ ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ,
କଣ
ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆନେସର 2 ଦେଖୁନ
ଆପଣ କଣ ସୁବିଧା
ନାଇଁ ଆନେସର ଆମେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆପଣ
powerful
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆମେ
government.
ଯାଇ ଆସି ପାରୁନୁ ପୁରା ରାସ୍ତାଟା ସେଟା ଆନେସର 2 ଦେଖୁନ
My lord,
notice
the
has been given by
remedy
the
lies in section 91 of the CPC. Your
ଆପଣ
lordship.
ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ସିଆଡେ
91 କାଇଁ ସିପି
ଆଉ?
NSC
ଏଟାକୁ PIL ହବ
municipal actions
ହେଇଥିବ।
ପରା they have served
91
the
of the
notice.
public nuisance
Your
and
lordship may kindly say annexure 2 page 11 already served a notice to the opposite party number 3
এটা my lord is entertaining but this is becoming a PIL.
ନୋଟିସ କି NSC କରିଛି ନା ଆପଣ
PIL ହବ ନା?
executive master
ତ
executive
ଆପଣ-
officer
ଆପଣ କିଏ?
That NSC ତାର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଏବେ
property ଯେ ରାସ୍ତା ଟା ନା ନାଇଁ property ହେଇଥିଲା ପରେ
ପାଖକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ road ଟା notice
ସେଟା
ଦେଇଥିଲା,
NSC
ସେ NSC
ସେଟା
ବୁଝିବ ନା।
dispose ହବ।
NSC ପାଖକୁ ଯାଅ
No, no, provision is ଯାଇଛି ପୁରା ଭାଇ ଆନେସର 1
ସେଟା dispose of
we made a representation and the executive officer also
NSC
made a notice.
Okay. Without the representation given by the present petitioner to the NSC Chandawali. Pin number कितने?
କେତେ OP?
Annexure 1 page 10
Pin number कितने?
OP number 2
Two.
Miller
Two.
Miller
Pin number 2. Will be annexure 1. Be disposed of within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the order. They're going to dispose it. Next.
obliged.
Item 7.
7.
May I please, Your Lord. Your Lordship, the petitioner's bank account has been seized, frozen by the opposite party bank, Your Lordship. Though the present petitioner is not involved at all in this case, Your Lordship.
So
And
how
he's-
can I know, what is the source
Yeah.
for me to know that whether you are involved or not?
Your Lordship, in similar case,
କେମିତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ଯେ ଆପଣ involved ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା?
I have annexed, Your Lordship, FIR as well as
ସବୁ
the
ଜାଣିଦେବି ମୁଁ ଆପଣ
final
involvement
form.
ଅଛି ନା
Your Lordship, similar order has been passed.
କଣ
in
similar?
Your Lordship, kindly see.
ସେତିକି ପଇସା ରଖିକି କେତେ ପଇସାର ଇନଭଲଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି?
Since 2021,
କେତେ ପଇସାର ଇନଭଲଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି?
that is, I think, Your Lordship, that is 420 case and the main accused.
ଭାଇ କୋଉଠି କଣ ଗୁଲ ଖେଳିକି ଆସିଥିବ
No,
ଆପଣ କଣ କରିବି
the present
ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
petitioner is the brother of the accused. So how he is related, Your Lordship?
ବ୍ରଦର ଗୋଟେ ଘର ଥିବ କେତେ କେତେ କଣ ହେଇପାରିବ ରିଲେଟେଡ
No,
କଣ?
Your Lordship, already, as per Your Lordship's directions, another account has been already.
ସବୁ
filled.
ସମାନ କେସ୍ କି? another ତାର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଅଲଗା ଥିବ ଆପଣ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଅଲଗା
ସବୁ relatives ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ relatives ଗୁଡାକ
Relative
involve କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଏ ରିଲେଟିଭ
Yes,
ଏ ବି ରିଲେଟିଭ
ହଁ, ଇଏ brother, sister ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି। Principal accused, all three
ଇଏ ତ
principal accused।
ମୁଖାର୍ଜୀ ଇଏ ତ କୁମାର କେମିତି ରିଲେଟିଭ ହେଲା?
ନାଇଁ, ତାର ସେଟା କୁମାର ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାର
ଇଏ ତ
title
ମୁଖାର୍ଜୀ କୁମାର ମୁଖାର୍ଜୀ ରିଲେଟିଭ କେମିତି ହେଲା? କେମିତିଆ ରିଲେଟିଭ?
relative ଅଛି।
ଏମିତି ଗାଁର ରିଲେଟିଭ
ନା।
ଗାଁରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ନେଇ ବାପା
ନାଇଁ,
ଆପଣ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ନାଇଁ, ଆମର
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର ଇନଭଲଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି?
ସେଟା ତ as per the FIR,
ଖବର ନେଇକି
That taking instruction matter.
Your Lordship can see, Your Lordship,
On way, go to the correct taking instruction.
as per
I take instruction in the
as per the FIR, Your Lordship,
connect.
that is 420 case, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship, Tataରେ ଚାକିରି କରେଇଦେବେ ବୋଲି the three principal accused are already in custody, Your Lordship, since 21. The present petitioner is a brother of the accused, one of the accused, Your Lordship.
କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ?
Yes, Your Lordship, that is Hon'Ble. Your Lordship, directly,
take
Your
instruction.
Lordship, kindly,
Section, what is it?
for a moment, Your Lordship, kindly.
Sorry, sir.
Your
Let him take
Lordship's
instruction.
order, Your Lordship.
No, let him take instruction. ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆଣିକି ଦେଖେଇଦେବେ ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କର
No, no, similar order, Your Lordship.
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ I want to check from the bank. Please check କରିକି ଆସ ହେଲା ଏଟା ଫେରେଇ ଦେ।
Similar order.
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ସିମିଲାର ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି ସିମିଲାର ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ସିମିଲାର କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ, ସେଥିରେ
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ।
earlier, Your Lordship,
ନାଇଁ,
also directed, Your Lordship.
Many facts may be different in different case. How can the similar
No
order?
difference, Your Lordship.
Nah,
Kindly,
nah.
kindly, Your
Let
Lordship,
him
call.
take instruction. I
call-
told you.
Yes,
Why are you unnecessarily arguing? Let him take instruction. If I find similarities, then I will consider.
yes.
Without just because you say similarity, I'll follow it.
Your Lordship, call.
No,
read
sorry,
button, Your
I
Lordship,
can't. No.
tag with that, Your Lordship.
No, ଏମିତି ହୁଏନି। ଆପଣ ସେ ବୁଝିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Yes, Your Lordship. Kindly take a next week. Your Lordship.
7th
Solve a copy.
give a copy
Yes, I will.
copy ଦେବେ ସେ instruction ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଦେଖିବ
Yes, yes.
next
Item 8.
See, my lord, I am DC at Puri, my lord. Here, the Honorable Lok Adalat, Puri, my lord. By the Lok Adalat case number 36
ଆଜ୍ଞା
by
କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର
Sir, the petitioner also ମାନେ avail 3 gold loans, my lord. All the gold
ଅଲସୋ
loans.
ମାନେ ଅଲସୋ କାଁ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଅଲସୋ ବୋଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଅଲସୋ କହନ୍ତି
There are 2 gold loans, so she already clear of the dues, and third gold loan also clear of the all dues. But though he also avail another tractor loan, the bank authority that is stated that till the disposal of the bank loan, no gold amount shall be returned. That's why he approached the Honorable Lok Adalat, Puri, my lord. That Annex 1, the Lok Adalat.
what did the Lok Adalat say?
Lok Adalat say, as per the Contract Act 171, it is a lien. Till disposal of the loan dues from the tractor, no gold amount shall be released.
This is what you are the bank.
Milord, here Milord, 3 gold loans they have taken.
ଆପଣ ମାଇଟା ପାଖରୁ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
3 gold loans they have taken, and they have taken a gold loan, right? And another tractor loan also NPA in the same person. NPA, definitely one account is NPA, other account, that is the system, my lord. So that is tractor loan dues is 11,28,162 paisa as on today. If you pay that amount, then
I
naturally.
don't understand that why these Lok Adalats are intruding upon the bank matters. I
These are
don't
the contractual
understand.
matters.
Deficiency of service kind of
Yes.
matter. This is basically
They have a
ଲୋନ୍ ଆପଣ ନେବେ ଲୋନ୍ ସୁଝିବେନି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଗିବାକୁ ଯିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇକି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବେ this is not correct. What is the order passed?
Lord, let them serve the copy of the writ petition just.
କଣ order pass ହେଇଛି sir କହିଲେ
First time,
ସେ order କଲେ lien କରିକି କରିଦେଲେ ଯେ till disposal of the tractor loan, no gold loan shall be, no gold amount shall be released.
ठीक है बढ़िया एकदम perfect order. Why are you challenging that order?
Because, my lord, so far the gold loan are concerned, there is no outstanding dues. So gold loan,
dues is always a
the
borrower
basis
wise.
of the loanee, not on loan.
Borrower wise, not
Loan
a
account
wise.
loan for loan ହିସାବ ହବନି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର କେସ୍ ଉପରେ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ବେସିକ fallacy in understanding.
ତେଣୁ
You are,
ସେଇଟା
it is on the basis of the loanee, not on the basis of the loan.
my response submission, my lord, the order is illegal one because, my lord,
I don't find the order is illegal, sir. It's
if
correct.
gold dues, if gold are released, then also the outstanding dues shall be paid so far tractor loan is concerned, my lord. Because
At least they will have something in their hand to secure କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର. Anyway, take notice. Give a copy. Give a copy. ଆମର କେମିତି ଦେବେ କପି
କାଲି tomorrow ଦେବି tomorrow.
ଏଠି ଅଛି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ହଁ ଦେବି କାଲି ଯିବି ତ ଦେବି କାଲି ଦେଇଦେବି.
କାଲି ଯିବେ ଆପଣ ମାଳା ଧରିକି ଥିବେ ଦେବେ କପିଟା ଦେବେ
ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ଅଛି ତ ଯିବି ଏଇଟା.
ହଉ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଇଏ Mr. Sahu will have a garland for you.
It is my burden duty to solve the copy. My opponent can do it.
ଠିକ ଅଛି କେବେ ଲଗେଇବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେବେ
ରଖନ୍ତୁ any day.
7th August. ଠିକ ଅଛି next
Item 9.
9
Under Annexure 3, the District Consumer Forum, while allowing the application directed to deposit rupees 8,45,000 with 11% interest within 30 days. Failing
ଆପଣ
this,
ଆପଣ କୋଉ order challenge କରୁଛନ୍ତି
my lord, I am not challenging any order.
What are you, why have you come here?
Your lordship, kindly see the imprint.
Just answer my question.
Your,
Why have you come here?
my lord, to seeking a direction to deposit as per the direction of the State Commission. State Commission directed me to, while modifying the order passed by the District Forum, directed to deposit 8,45,000 with 9% interest, failing which the same will be, if I will fail to deposit within 45 days.
Deposit.
Your lordship, I am also prepared a draft of rupees 10 lakhs, my lord. That is under Annexure 7. Your lordship can allow me to deposit with 9% interest, my lord. That is my. I also prepare a draft, my lord, of rupees
No, I did not. The order is 9% interest.
9% within 45 days.
So what is your problem?
My lord, 45 days ଟା expire କରିଛି।
Time ପଳେଇଲାଣି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେତିକି ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
problem।
Draft ଟା prepare କରିଛି, that is annexer 7.
Draft କେବେ କଲେ?
Draft ଟା କରିଛି 18/7,
7 ରେ ଏଇ ମାସରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମାସ
10 lakhs.
କରେଣ୍ଟ ମନ୍ଥରେ ତ ଟାଇମ୍ କେବେ ଦେବା ଥିଲା?
Within 45 days, that is
45 ଡେଜ୍ କେବେଠୁ ହଉଛି?
order passed
କେବେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହଉଛି?
30/8/2022.
22 ଅର୍ଡର ଆଉ 45 ଡେଜ୍ ଏବେ
Thereafter, thereafter,
କି ବଢିଆ
my lord,
High Court
already
report
draft,
ଆସିବେ।
already prepare with the rest of the amount. I will also within
That is
1
not
month.
my
My lord.
problem, sir.
Your lordship,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲା 2022 ରେ
my lord.
ଆପଣ ଆସିଲେ ମେରିଲି 2024 ରେ
Your lordship, kindly.
ମୁଁ କାହିଁ କଣ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ କରିବି?
Your-
You face the consequence.
Your
That
lordship,
should be granted.
annexer 5, annexer
Bilkul-
5, your lordship.
bilkul-
That is annexer
You have
5, the
not
court
even
itself
not
modified.
complied with the order of the
Annexer 5,
court.
your lordship, kindly say, kindly.
No, High
Your-
Court should not interfere.
No, no,
with
that is, this
No,
is the order
at
of
all.
the state commission. Your
बिल्कुल
lordship,
नहीं,
kindly
state
say.
commissioner जेई तो
No, no, ତାପରେ
State
ସେଟା
commission- order
2nd March 2023, 19th July 2000.
अब पूरा आराम से मेरिली वर्षे पर आपण आसले संगे संगे आस्तांते आप I could have considered after 1 year आपण किछ
18%, I have to pay 18%, my lord.
will follow.
This,
No,
your
this is
lordship,
not
kindly,
the-
kindly
this is
consider,
not
my
the
lord.
way. Your client
Rest
has
of the
to
amount
suffer.
also,
No,
rest of the
no.
amount also I deposit within 1 month.
No,
my lord.
sir,
Lordship, kindly,
sorry.
kindly consider.
Then in that case you have to pay cost देବାକୁ पड़िବ।
Notice ଟା
ଆପଣ-
ଆସୁ, notice ଟା ଆସୁ।
ନୋଟିସ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ କଣ ଦେବି? ନୋଟିସ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଏରେ ସମରିଲି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ହୁଏ ଏମିତିଆ ମ୍ୟାଟର। ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦିଆଯାଇନି। Then you have to pay cost. What is the order passed by the State Consumer Forum?
State Consumer Forum,
8,45,000.
8,45,000
Hmm.
with 9% interest.
Hmm.
Within
Within
45 days at page 39, my lord. 45 days failing is
ଆପଣ
the
ଗୋଟେ
same
1
as
lakh extra ତାକୁ ଦେବେ।
again,
Passing order
1 lakh,
1 lakh extra. Yes,
1 lakh.
yes, बिल्कुल କାହିଁକି ଦେବେନି? 1 lakh extra ତାକୁ ଦେବେ, ମୁଁ order pass କରୁଛି। That's the punishment for you. That's the only thing I can do. If
Your
you want order from me, pay 1 lakh extra. You should
Wow.
get benefit. Why should you be deprived?
Your lordship, kindly I will take instruction.
Take it, sir.
Well.
1 lakh order ଦେବେ ହେଲେ order pass କରିବେ।
50,
He should not be deprived.
50,000,
Yeah. ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ କାହିଁକି deprived ହବ?
50,000.
50,000 ଦେବେ?
No, I will take instruction.
Take instruction.
Right.
50,000 ଦେବେ ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏବେ order pass କରିବି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ instruction ନେବେ ହେଲେ 1 lakh ପଡ଼ିବ। Let's see. Okay.
Right.
କେବେ? ଖାଲି ବର୍ଜନ ଲଗେଇଦେବି।
Monday,
Get ready for paying some cost.
Monday.
ବିନା cost ତ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି।
Monday, man.
ଆଉ opposite party କୁ ଦେବେ। ଏଠି କୋଉ bar association ଦେବାନି। Opposite party because the deprived party should get that.
Monday, man.
Monday. You are the builder. You are the builder.
Right.
ଏଇଟା କଣ ଘର କିଣିଥିଲା ସେ ଲୋକ?
ଘର ନାହିଁ, ସେଟା ପ୍ଲଟ ଥିଲା।
ପ୍ଲଟ ରେ କଣ ହେଲା? ଗୋଟେ ପଇସା ନେଇଗଲେ ଆଉ ପ୍ଲଟ ଦେଲେନି।
ସିଏ had not deposited the entire amount.
ଫରଫିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ।
No, forfeit.
Yeah.
Thereafter, the
ହଁ
state,
ଆପଣ ଫରଫିଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିବେ।
my lord, as I am not on merit, my lord, therefore.
ସାର୍ ଫରଫିଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିବେ।
No,
ସାର୍
forfeit.
ଶୁଣେ ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେ ପଇସା ଦେଇଛି ପାରିନା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଫରଫିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ। ସେ ଫରଫିଚର ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯାଇଛି। ସାର୍ ଏଟା ତ କଥା ଆଉ ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
Your lordship,
ସେ
I will
ଫରଫିଟ୍
take,
କଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାଇଁ ଫରଫିଟ୍ करे ହେବେନି?
I will
ଆପଣ
take
forfeit
instruction,
କରନ୍ତୁ।
man. I will take instruction.
ହଁ ଲକ୍ଷେରୁ କମ ହବନି।
ଲକ୍ଷେଟା higher.
ହଁ
Your
ଲୋକଠୁ
lordship,
ପ୍ଲଟ
କହିଲେ
କିଣିଲା
ତ
ବେଳେ ଲୋକଠୁ ପଇସା ନେଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ବଡ ଇଏରେ ନଉଥିବା ନିଜ ପାଳି ପଡିଲା ବେଳେ ଏବେ ଲକ୍ଷେ ବେଶୀ
ନାଇଁ,
ଏଇସବୁ
50%
ନାହିଁ ନା। ନିରୀହ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ
Monday ଆସ, I will take
ଠକୁଛ
instruction.
ତମ ବିଲ୍ଡର ରେଡି ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି।
50,
ଲକ୍ଷେରୁ କମ
50,000
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ। ୟୁ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଏ ପୁଅର ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଦି ବିଲ୍ଡର ଲୋକ ତ
Builder
କେତେ
ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ
ଲୁଟୁଛନ୍ତି।
ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ସେ
ହଁ ଥାଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ। ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସଫର। ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ ପଇସା ନେଲା ବେଳେ ତ ନେଇଯାଉଛ ଜାଗା ଦେଲା ବେଳେ କାଇଁ ଦଉଛ?
2000,
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ। ଯେତେ କର ମ୍ୟାଟର ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବି। ଆପଣ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ରେଡି
50,000.
ଅଦରୱାଇଜ
I will take instruction.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 10.
10 10 non-APS. Eviction matter na? Is the matter on 13 August. 11.
Item 11.
May I please?
Yes.
Lord, in this case, the complaint petition in CC number 79 of 2016 has been dismissed for non-prosecution by the learned state commission.
Non-prosecution गुड़ा सब एठी कहीं आउछन्ती आपण?
तांकर पावर नहीं है रेस्टोर करिया पे. I had also filed one IA for recall of that order and restoration of that.
Which order?
That is in dismissing the case for non-prosecution. That IA is at page 26, my lord. That was filed on 1/7/2023. But
They don't
neither
have
they
power
are
to restore their own.
no, my lord. Neither they are listing it, nor they are.
को provision আছে power নাই ବୋଲି कोन?
No power simply किसी नहीं.
देखांतु मत.
Lordship में
देखांतु हाई कोर्ट रो कोटी पावर আছে देखिन.
my lord.
हाई कोर्ट रो कोटी पावर আছে.
High Court by exercise 226.
देखेबे ना एमती खाली हाई कोर्ट रो पावर ओनली पटर करले हबो ना. देखांतु.
226 रे
No.
226 रे अच्छे है. Section 24 of the Consumer Protection Act
हाँ.
prescribes for appeal.
हाँ.
Appeal, the order passed by the State Commission, appeal habo. But the order should be passed under Section 20 and 21 of the Act. Section 20 of the Consumer Protection Act, the order is for only to recall the gross negligence.
Who will recall?
That the State Commission, my lord, under Section 20 and under
If
Section
State Commission under 20 recall, then why not this matter be recalled?
it is not coming under the purview of Section 20. Lordship may kindly peruse Section 21. And Section 21 is relates to imposing penalty. So both are not coming under the appellate provision. Section 20 of the Act. Lordship may.
This is central authority.
Yes, central authority means State Commission, my lord.
Why? Who told you that?
Hello?
Central authority means State Commission. कोठी लिखा है जी? मने मने भाभी देले आपण.
नहीं सेटा
सेटा माने सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी माने स्टेट कमिशन किंती हैला? कोठी लिखा है स्टेट कमिशन बोली?
नुआ एक्ट 2019 रे अमेंड हैला.
स्टेट कमिशन कोठी लिखा हैला?
अगर नुआ एक्ट 2019 रे अमेंड हैला परे
तो स्टेट कमिशन आपण भाभी देले.
स्टेट कमिशन टा
की कहला एटा आपण? केबडी की कहला एटा?
क्या लिखा
सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी बोली की कहला आपण? जबरदस्ती. की किछि भी कहि दोछ सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी स्टेट कमिशन. पढु ना आपण?
पढ़ दू.
कोड लिखा है स्टेट कमिशन.
सेक्शन 24 टा आगे पढ़ दू.
नहीं 20 आगे पढ़ियो ना. अबे 20 कहतली.
हां हां. नहीं 24 टा पढ़ दूची. तापरे पढ़ी.
Read it.
Section 24 हैला appeal. A person aggrieved by any order passed by the central authority under Section 20 and 21.
एबे कोड एटा सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी की एटा मको जानिबा दरकार.
है कहू 20 and 21 may file an appeal to the National Commission.
ठीक है.
So
तो जानतो सेठी ताले.
if a appeal has to
आपण एटा सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी को स्टेट कमिशन वो दे.
एटा पर this order will not come under the purview of Section 20 and 21.
भाई सर को ऑर्डर परव्यू रे आसीबो मते देखंतु. काहे की हाई कोर्ट एंटरटेन करिवो मु जो पचारछि.
226.
Why should no आपण सेठी अपियर करिवेनी बिना आपण अपियर न कले dismiss for non prosecution. Why should high court will condone your all wrongdoings? Why should
wrong doings no आगे से 2020 रे जतले पैंडेमिक हैला आगे
आपण wrong धरि आपण अपियर न कले बन दैट्स रॉन्ग.
2020 रे पैंडेमिक जेतले हैला आगे सेतबेले VC फैसिलिटी कंज्यूमर रे आगे नथिला.
मो कोछि हाई कोर्ट रे को प्रोविजन रे हाई कोर्ट जिवा पे लिखा छै मते देखंतु. सेटा मते दरकार.
ना अपील टा न हो मन तो हाई कोर्ट को आसीबो आगे.
मते को प्रोविजन रे मो दुई तीनटा मु ऑर्डर पास करछि. I have nowhere I have found that
Yes.
that the high court should condone this.
My lord, since
देखंतु मते लॉ
since-
देखंतु. मु टाइम दोछि दुई दिन. Take your time.
Since-
No. You have to show me the law.
my lord, since
No.
the order
Show me
impugned.
the law, sir.
Yes, I'm submitting, my lord. the order impugned is not coming under the purview of section 20
Show
and
me the
20.
law, sir. Not coming under is a different thing. And coming under, you have to show me something that is coming under the purview of High Court. That you show. Where is the
That I have
226 has the power that the High Court should condone the whatever you have committed wrong in the State Commission? Where is that provision? Show me that provision.
No,
Or
whatever
any
is not there.
judgment को अच्छी देखाନ୍ତୁ।
So whatever is not there, but
ସେମିତି ନା ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ।
yes, I will satisfy.
Supreme Court judgment ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ, provision ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ, ଦିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ। ହେଲା, then only I will pass order। ଏମିତି ଆସିକିରି ଆପଣ ସେଠି କଣ କରିବେ ଆସିକି ଏଠି।
Section 20,
No, no,
21 and
sir,
24.
interpretation ହୁଏନି। Interpretation of strategy is not like that. Read GP Singh. Go and read GP Singh interpretation of statute by GP Singh. Read. This is not the way strategy interpreted like this. Sorry.
GP Singh ବହି ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା LLM ରେ ପଢିଛୁ।
ଯେବେ ପଢିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ। ସେ ବହି 10 ଥର ପଢିଲେ ବି ସରିବନି।
ନା, sir.
ମହାଭାରତ ଭଳିଆ। ମହାଭାରତକୁ ଯେତେ ଥର ପଢିଲେ କେବେ ଇଏ ହୁଏ କି? LLM ପଢନ୍ତୁ କି ଯେବେ ପଢିଥାନ୍ତୁ। ସେଟାକୁ ଯେତେ ଥର ପଢିବେ ଏତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ। Read it. Very good book. ଆଉ ଇଂଲିଶ ବହି ଦରକାର ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ସଫ୍ଟ କପି ଅଛି। ଇମେଲ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେଇଦେବି। କେତେଟା ଇଂଲିଶ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ ପଢିବେ କଣ ଦେଇଦେବି। 5ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ବହି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Email ID ଦେଇଦେବି। I will give you some good book on English also. GP Singh the Padan, that is the best book. I will extra padive charges I can give. Next.
I may pardon my lord.
Please the matter
Your
on
lordship.
some other day. Fifth level.
On item number 9,
ଏଟା ଟିକେ ମତେ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କେବେ ଦରକାର କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
6 କିମ୍ବା 7
6
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର କିମ୍ବା ବୁଧବାର।
6 ଠିକ ଅଛି 6 ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଲା ମଝିରେ ପଳେଇଲେ?
your lordship directed observed that if I will agree today, your lordship will impose cost of rupees 50,000.
କାହିଁକି? ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପାଟିରେ କହିଦେଲି ଏଟା ମୁଁ
lordship,
ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା?
I-
ନୋ 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 ଲକ୍ଷେ ଦେବେ। ମୁଁ ଆଉ ବିଲ୍ଡର ବୋଲି ଭାଇ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି ତ।
ନା ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଏଥିରେ
ଏଟା
ପଚାଶ
ଇଏ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
builder
ସବୁ ଆଉ
ଟା-
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ବିଲ୍ଡର କୁ ତ କ୍ଷମା
Your lordship, nothing is there. Your lordship kindly consider, madam.
नो सर।
My lord, annexure 8 is the eviction notice which is under challenge, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is the lawful owner of the particular plot, my lord. By virtue of a family partition, this property was held to the share of the petitioner. My lord, thereafter, the ROR was prepared and published in his name, my lord. The annexure 1 is the ROR, my lord. During consolidation operation, my lord, it was found that some area has been-
ଜଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ
Yes,
ପଢେଇକିରି
I'm,
ଆପଣ
I'm
ଆଉ
sorry,
ଗୋଟେ ପଳେଇଲେଣି।
I'm sorry. Lordship.
Not the way.
Yes, ma'am.
When I am reading something, just let me complete
Yes.
the list. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏନେକ୍ସର ବିଜନେସ ବନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଇଲେ ସର୍ଟ ରେ ମୁଁ 3-4 ଲାଇନ ରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କେମିତି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବି ସେଟା ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ସିଧା ଆଇଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କମ୍ ଟୁ ଏନେକ୍ସର 4 ଏଟା କଣ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ? ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଟ୍ ଅଲ୍। You have to present the brief of the matter, then go to annexure 1 to whatever. ସେଟା କଣ ଆଗ brief କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
My lord, what happened here? By virtue of a family partition, this particular disputed property is fell to the share of the petitioner. Thereafter, petitioner prefer mutation case before the Tahsildar. The ROR was published.
Mutation was done.
Done.
Okay,
ROR was published in the name of the petitioner, my lord. But during consolidation operation, when it was over, it was found, yes, my lord. The khata number, the plot number 284 of 953 was allotted in favor of the petitioner, madam. After the ROR was published. 285 is the adjacent plot of the petitioner. Which
But
is
285 is your problem.
no, my lord. My plot is 284 by 953. 284 was the original plot. After
285 କାହାର?
85 ଗୋଟେ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ହଉଛି କିସମ ହଉଛି ତାର ରାସ୍ତା। 285 ଟା ହଉଛି ମୋର ଆଡଜାସେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲଟ। ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ କନସଲଟେସନ ଅପରେସନ ବେଳେ ମୋ ପ୍ଲଟ ରୁ 750 ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫୁଟ ଜମି ଯାଇକି 285 ରେ ଆମାଲଗମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା, ଯୋଉଟା କି ମୋ ନଲେଜ ବାହାରେ। ତ ସେମାନେ ମତେ ନୋଟିସ ଦେଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ମାଡି ବସିଛନ୍ତି, ମୋର କିଛି ଜମି ନେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସରକାରଙ୍କର, ଆପଣ ଜମି ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ। ତ ଦେୟାର ଆଫ୍ଟର ଆଇ ପ୍ରିଫର ଏ ରିଭିଜନ କେସ୍। ରିଭିଜନ କେସ୍ ଇଜ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ। Revision case for demarcation and other one for correction of the map. এটা ম্যাপ রে বଢି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ROR ତାଙ୍କ ROR ରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଜମି
Revision case, what is the status?
the revision case, this is pending and your lordship directed the revision case to dispose of by end of
December of this year. This is the annexure 3 and 4, the 4 and
Why have
5,
you
my
come
lord.
here?
My lord, here eviction notice has been given to me. Annexure 8 is the eviction notice.
Annexure?
8, my lord, at page 25.
This annexure 9 is. this is-
Yes, my lord. Here I will pray, lordship, may kindly have a glance to annexure 9, my lord.
Hmm.
On the same day, annexure 8 and 9 has been issued on me. Annexure 9 टा कहले शोकस देवा ପାଇଁ, annexure 8 टा कहले जे evict होवा ପାଇଁ. Same day रे. To correction of the map, I have preferred 2 appeal, 2 revision case that is pending before the LRC, my lord. So what I am praying is that till the LRC took a decision, the lordship may kindly protect me.
Earlier also there is an order passed by this court.
Yes, my lord, to dispose of those 2 revision case within a stipulated period, my lord. Your lordship fix it to December 2024, by end of December 2024.
Okay. Petitioner.
May I submit, ma'am, before your lordship decide? My lord and friend has moved an application under section 37 of the Consolidation Act, my lord. Your lordship kindly have a glance to the 37(1). Section 37, subsection 1 of the Odisha Consolidation.
What do you want to say?
Lord, the proceeding is pending before the consolidated proceedings has been pending. During that period, the Tahsildar issued the impugn notice, my lord. Now the petitioner is challenging that notice, that since the revision petition is pending, therefore it has to be stayed, my lord. My humble submission before your lordship, the petitioner can move there also under section 37(1) for staying of that operator.
That is there, the state has absolutely.
Sir, I'm passing that order only. Just you want to say something else, that's why I want
No,
to.
that is my humble.
I'm passing that order.
My-
Anyway, they give me that copy. And the petitioner challenges that. Notice number 900, 12/7 of 2024. Directing the petitioner to vacate the area having khata number 329, lot number 58. 0.04 district under Moja, Khairabad, 15 days from the date of issuance of said notice. Though grant on petition for the submit that a proceedings under section 37(1) of the Odisha Consolidation Holding and Prevention of Fragmentation of Land Act 1973 is pending. And the said proceeding was directed to be disposed of by.
December 2024, my lord, by the end of December.
In the meantime, the order passed by the Tahsildar.
Tahsildar Jajpur, my lord,
Jajpur.
opposite part number 3.
Therefore, since the consolidation proceeding is pending before the LR,
Opposite part number 2.
the present prayer can be ventilated and the prayer can be made before the said authority. The said authority pass order. liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach the which is the section then? Section?
37
37
subsection 1, my lord. I flagged that. Bottom of the.
Yes.
My lord, this proceeding is pending.
Pending, but
Yes,
this
sir.
same thing can be registered there.
Yes. My lord,
By way of
lord,
interlocutory
what-
application, a petitioner can
No,
move
no,
there.
my lord, what my prayer before the LRC was to correct.
That is your prayer, I am not disputing,
Yes.
sir. These things can be raised there also.
My lord, till they.
Because this matter, the main matter is pending there.
Yes, yes, my lord.
So you can raise that issue.
My lord,
there.
may I make a prayer, my lord? Till they decide the case, also I pray I may be protected.
He has
till
not
then.
filed yet, my lord.
Now file karantu,
No,
apan
no,
dekhibe,
they-
they will.
Arey,
If the petitioner.
my lord, RC case number 4 and 5 of 2024 is pending, my lord. Annexure 4 and 5 may kindly be seen, my lord. Your lordship's order. 5 and 6. Your lordship's order. At page 18, my lord. First one.
ठीक है, but we can, the same thing can be anything there.
So, my lord, decide seman more of limited prayer. Tanka pakhre correction of my map.
Unless you go, so even everything is revolve around the same issue.
My lord, still.
Correction what? Because there is some problem, tab correction.
Again.
If the entire issue is revolving around that issue, then where will the problem?
A state भी सेठी appear कर सकते हैं.
कर जाओ.
Again.
The petitioner approach. Within a week.
2 weeks.
Go and approach
approach,
quickly,
yes, madam.
otherwise honestly we have to
Yes.
face problem. And again, don't ask for further time, quickly. And the authorities have take up the issue and immediately take up the issue. Take up the matter. Next.
My lord, I may be
ଆପଣ
protected.
ଗଲେ ତ ସାର୍ ଯାଇନି ମୁଁ କେମିତି
ଆପଣ କିଛି ନ କହିବେ ଯଦି ସେଠି ସେମାନେ କହିବେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ତ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମେ କଣ କରିବୁ?
କେମିତି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲି ପରେ ନା ଅର୍ଡର ତ ଦେଲି
No,
ଆପଣ
no course of action.
ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆଇଏ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ନା ସାର୍ ନ କରିକି କାହିଁ ଏତେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ କାଲି କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାଇକି ଫଟାଫଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
7 ଦିନ କାହିଁ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବେ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଠିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସେଠିକି ଯାଇପାରିଲେନି
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ନୋଟିସ ରେ ହଉଛି
ହଁ,
ଆମେ କୌଣସି
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ବି
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଉଚ୍ଛେଦ କରିଦେବୁ ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ନୋଟିସ ରେ ଲେଖା।
was taken up with the before the session.
The lordship may mention if the petitioner is filing an IA till disposal of that IA.
हाँ सर लेखी सर
Much obliged.
already लेखाई okay next
Lordship,
Item
may,
13.
may I please the court? Lordship, the petitioner challenges annexure 1, which is the order passed
अरे
by.
भाई annexer में कौन issue को ये annexer 1 ये pattern बंद
My lords, I'm just explaining.
explain in brief in 2-3
My
lines
lords,
then
my
go to
lords,
annexer
my
1
lords. The
Yes,
petitioner has suspended board of directors, my lord. Annexure
Who
1. My lords,
Who are you?
I am the suspended board of directors, my lord. In a liquidation proceedings, I have been suspended. And the board of.
the liquidation proceedings put the I am the suspended में केंदी बुझी
Now, during the process of liquidation, my lords, what happened? An application was filed by the
एटा
RP.
कितना बेटा
13.
हम्म
An application filed by the RP to take possession of certain properties which are belonging to the corporate debtor, my lords. Now, that particular application was allowed, and that is what I'm challenging under Annexure 1. So, I will take your lordship straight away to that page, which is at page number 27, my lord. And the relevant portion is at the bottom. However, the applicant RP is directed to take physical possession of the property since the corporate debtor has right to possess the property and he is also permitted to take necessary assistance from concerned police if needed in this regard. Thus, this application is ordered and disposed of, my lords. My submission, your lordship, why this order is incorrect is for 2 reasons, my lord. The power of the NCLT tribunal or of the appellate forum to with respect to properties is only confined when the ownership of that property is completely settled and it is not disputed. Now, for that, Your Lordship, this is an application which was filed under Section 224 of the Companies Act, read with Section 19. And the relevant portion where I raise the question where the NCLT has made a grave error in studying the statutory norms which prohibits them from passing such an order is in Section 18 of the IBC rules, my lord. IBC code, my lord. Rule 18, my lord.
IBC code में अच्छी
Last.
नहीं IBC code नहीं कल पे IBC code नहीं Consolidation Act, it's not. Sorry, in my book it's not there. We have extra one.
My lord.
You are reading IBC code. You are reading. Ah,
My lords.
वही नाम है और आई ऑन अच्छी
Section 18. Rule 18, actually. Section code. Okay.
तेरा नहीं नहीं नॉट मन मगे
What I'm referring to, Your Lordship, is
please.
Section 18, rule, sub-rule F, subclause 6, my lords. May I have a look? Where they say that a duty of the RP to take custody of a property is subject to determination of ownership. Now, ownership includes both the question of title as well as possession, my lords. Here I take Your Lordship to a brief background of the case. Now, Your Lordship, this property was purchased by the current petitioners under the name Assotec Milan Resorts Private Limited. Subsequently, there was a dispute with respect to the title. A tripartite agreement was executed between Lingaraj Trust Board, the GA department of the government, and the present suspended board of directors, the then company, my lord.
What is the
Wherein
company earlier?
the company was Assotec Milan Resorts Private Limited, my lords.
So you are
They
the
want-
director there.
Yes. They wanted to start a hotel on the piece of property by the name Radisson Blue. However, the design was cancelled because discrepancy was found that my vendor who sold the property to me, my lord, was actually belonging to the Lingaraj Trust. A tripartite agreement was then executed where Lingaraj Trust was supposed to get 60% of the net proceeds of whatever revenue.
Is the property of the Lingaraj temple?
Yes, my lord. Now, what happened? I'll just
What
explain.
is the problem?
The problem was, my lord, that we entered into a tripartite agreement. Lingaraj Property Trust was supposed to get 60%. The GA department, who also claimed a part of the title over the properties, was supposed to get a net revenue of 40% out of the sale proceeds. The problem was High Court, there was a PIL filed before the Honorable High Court of Orissa, where under exercising the writ jurisdiction under Article 226, the High Court cancelled the tripartite agreement. And they said, no, even if they are getting a 60% share, Lingaraj Trust is the perpetual property of a perpetual minor who's a DT. It needs to be protected. So there has to be a public auction or it shall be open for the parties to
I could
renegotiate.
cancel the tripartite agreement, then how?
I'll just explain, my lord. Then what happened? Then the matter went to the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court is in session of the matter. Now there's a stay of the order of the Honorable High Court of Orissa.
What are you for?
My lords,
What are you for here?
I'm only here for the question that during when the Supreme Court has not determined the question of title, my lord, it is still pending. Section 18 of the IBC code debars the RP from taking possession of the property because
If
it is,
matter is pending before the Supreme Court, why should I interfere here?
my lords,
If the same issue is pending before the Supreme Court, why should I interfere?
your lordship, only on the question of title.
No, whatever you want to, now if it is size, the matter is pending before the court, you whatever prayer go and.
That was the only problem, my lords.
Sorry.
I'll just explain in a line. That was exactly my prayer before the NCLT.
Sir, your prayer might be anything before the NCLT.
For a moment,
When the
my lords.
matter is pending before the Supreme Court, whatever prayer, you go and raise that issue.
My lords, I will do that. I'll just,
Why should I pass some order which is
Lordship,
pending because I will pass some
a
order?
moment of indulgence I'll seek, my lords.
No.
That was exactly my argument before
Even
the
the Supreme
NCLT.
Court pending the case.
My lords. It is, I have annexed it, my lord. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. The Supreme Court order, my lords, is at Annexure 4 at page number 95, my lords. Where there's a stay on the operation of the order of the Honorable High Court.
Then why should I enter into this?
My lords, that was exactly my argument before the
That-
NCLT, that because the question, I'll just submit, my lords, because the question with regard to the determination of ownership and title is pending before the Supreme Court, the NCLT should not have passed an order. And your lordship will
Then the
see.
same thing you go and say before the Supreme Court, sir.
My lords, I need to exhaust.
Because the matter, no, the
the
matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Now everything you, whatever happens below the court below,
And-
you should raise that issue there.
That also I
The
cannot,
NCLT is not here, this is the order passed by the.
my lord
NCLT.
cannot raise it. I cannot approach the Supreme Court.
Why?
Ma'am. I'll explain, my lord.
Why?
We are already suspended, and on any steps on behalf of the corporate debtor has to be taken by
I am
the
not
RP.
going to interfere since the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Whatever grievance you have, tell it before the Supreme Court, not here.
Your lordship may just protect me, then at least they
No,
should
no,
not
I'm
auction the
you
properties.
go
Now,
and, you go and say before the Supreme Court. I can't do that. Sorry.
but the NCLT has gravely erred, my lords.
NCLT might have done, but
And the only
then why did you go to NCLT?
I cannot, because my sole argument is that the tribunal
Oh.
or the appellate tribunal
Acha.
lacks the power, my lords.
Why?
And
NCLT, why? you
because,
can't-
my lords, both the tribunal cannot decide the question of title, my lords.
Then you appear, then the High Court in writ petition, it will decide the
That
title.
is exactly where this
What
question,
exactly?
this question
How
is,
in the writ petition, the High Court will decide the title?
my lords, I'll just satisfy that.
Yes.
This question was raised before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Sir, whatever you have raised, please, sorry, since the matter is pending before the Supreme
Your
Court.
lordship may have a look at a judicial precedent.
The SLP civil number 2015, CC number 8975 of 2015. The petitioner to, the petitioner is special petition to appeal, sorry, 14530. And the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. If the petitioner has any grievance against the NCLT, the same, any grievance against the order passed by the NCLT,
Annexure 1, my lords.
under Annexure 1, this said issue can be agitated before the before the apex court. And this court shall not interfere in a matter which is pending before the apex court. Accordingly, dismissed.
Your lordship, I should not interfere once your lordship has dictated the order. There's just one precedent, my lord, which I want to cite. If your lordship may consider it, that in embassy properties judgment, the Supreme Court has considered that in
one thing
226
is-
your lordship can.
No, I don't know. So we should have some discipline. The matter is pending before that. I would pass some order
lords,
that the Supreme Court may not like that. Why should High Court was interfering when the matter was before us? Why should I go to answer?
My lord, that is exactly
Everybody has ego issue. Try to understand. Supreme Court will have more
the
ego.
NCLT has actually.
It's fine. I should not say I can approach the court. I'll say I file करोगे MF file करो मुझे कैसे भी तो बिजली I file करोगे MF file करो मुझे कैसे भी तो बिजली
Much obliged, your lordship.
MA is after of course disposal. Next.
Item 14. May I please? Lordship, in this case, initially Form Kho was issued under the OPLE Act, and the present petitioner approached this honorable court, my lord. And in WPC number 41316 of 2023, this honorable court has directed the petitioner to file an appeal before the appellate authority, my lord. And the appellate authority to decide the case, giving opportunity of hearing to the.
You have filed the appeal.
Yes,
Then?
I have filed the appeal. The appeal was dismissed only on the ground that that certified copy of Form Kho was not produced before him.
Let's see the appeal.
My lord. That is the impugned order in the appeal. That is, lordship may kindly come straight to page 26, my lord. And another thing is there, the WPC was disposed of by this honorable court on 2023, granting a time of 15 days, my lord, a fortnight. And the appeal was filed on 29th January 2024. Just month. Got the copy and filed the appeal. Last portion, Lordship, kindly peruse. Accordingly, as provided under Section 14 of the OPLE Act, the present appeal is required to be dismissed in view of non-submission of the appeal petition within the stipulated period fixed by the Honorable High Court of Orissa, Cuttack by order number 20.
Rightly dismissed, what the problem?
My lord, as well as non-compliance of
When
defect.
When High Court had granted some stipulated time for you to.
Fortnight, my lord.
Should have done that. He have not done this, the authority can't violate High Court's order. It has to obey the High Court order.
And thereafter also, my lord. Lordship, may kindly peruse, my lord. As well as non-compliance of defects in office note by way of submitting the certified copy of the orders against which the appeal has been
They're
preferred.
all, I mean, everything is against you. First of all, you have not filed that within the stipulated time given by the High Court.
Fortnight time was given. 15 दिन दिया टाइम कॉपी पाई करी गला बेलू का immediately
From today at your order, my lord.
From
So
today,
that date itself, not from the date of receipt of the copy.
yes.
And lords, this is a revisable order, your lordship. Under section 12(2) of the OPLE Act, you can approach for revision, your lordship.
When was the order passed?
The order was passed
6/2.
6/2 and also, my lord,
What is the time frame for revision?
revision 90 days.
Huh?
90 days.
90 days.
And my lord,
90 days also passed. Huh?
26/6/2024, again one eviction notice was again issued under Annex 6.
And anything discussed on the merit of the case?
No.
Only
Based on technical ground, this appeal has been dismissed. Lordship, may kindly say that appeal to be heard on merit.
That merit can be heard in revision also, your lordship.
you file a revision application,
Well.
and then that order can be recalled and they can.
Till that date, I will be protected. Because the eviction notice was issued under Annex 6, my lord, on 26/6/2024.
The petition of petition challenges the action of the opposite party in issuing notice for eviction. Plot number 172. In the encroachment case number 87. So the plot is this, this is the house for more than 35 years. So this is on whimsical ground. So the petitioner submits that petitioner being a landless person was in possession of a piece of land and regularly paid the rent. And is used for his dwelling purpose. He further sums that the case was instituted against the petitioner in the year 2021 as an encroachment case under the provision of section 71 of the Orissa Prevention of Land Encroachment Act 1972. In encroachment case number 87 of 2021, as per notice issued under section 9 of the OPLE 1992. The petitioner appeared before the Tahsildar Municipal and submitted that the land for which the said proceeding was initiated was wrongly done, and the petitioner was given notice. And the petitioner was asked to give no words for the time. The petitioner has already approached the appellate authority. And since the said authority has dismissed on technical grounds without touching the merit of the case. So the petitioner has not filed the certified copy of the impugned order.
Form Kho.
Form
Form Kho.
for
Kho certificate copy to nahi.
as per the order passed by as per the order passed by this court in order ta kebe High Court order, sir?
High Court order was passed on this Honorable Court has disposed of on 2012-2023.
12. They're not writing all these things. Khali High Court number ta likhe dile, order date likhe dile. Order 20 in 41326 replication civil and reading the petition with the director of the petitioner to file the said form Kho within 15 days from the date of the order passed by the
No,
from the date of the order.
this Honorable Court has directed to file an appeal.
Oh, sorry, sir. Appeal.
Appeal within a fortnight.
Though the appeal was filed within fortnight. But
No. The appeal was filed just 1 month.
After fortnight.
The appeal was filed on
After
20.
15 days?
Yes.
The appeal was not filed in time, nor the certified copy of form Kho was annexed with the appeal. Hence, the appellate authority dismissed the said appeal because of the above defects. Considering the facts in some submission made by the petitioner has the option of filing a revision application
My lords.
under section
Section 12, subsection 2, my lords, to the collector. Before the collector.
the petitioner has not filed the said revision and directly approach this court. And this court is not inclined to interfere with the order passed by the appellate. However, this court deem it appropriate to grant liberty to the petitioner to approach before the revisional authority, that is the collector, along with all the required documents. In the meantime, the petitioner shall not, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner till the revision application is disposed of by the collector. It is made clear that the petitioner has to approach the collector within a period of 1 week from today.
My lord.
Within 1 week.
Within 1 week.
As the order was.
My lord, 26, no coercive action pursuant to the notice issued on 26/6/2024.
And the collector shall take up the issue as soon as the matter is filed. And
Right.
as soon as the matter is filed, the collector-
Your lordship has protected the petitioner till the disposal of the revision.
till the matter is taken by the collector.
My lords.
Once the matter is taken up the collector.
Yes.
Is then under 12, section 12, subsection 4, they can file for stay petition there also, your lordship.
And I am not writing all this. Let him approach with all these.
My lord, no coercive action to be taken.
Till the matter is taken up by the collector.
Yes, pursuant to the notice issued under Annexure 6, my lord. That lordship may kindly say.
Annexure 6 कौन तो नहीं पूरा order dated कौन तो सर मुझे annexure word मतलब पसंद नहीं
Yeah.
पूरा
Notice dated 26/6/2024.
26
6 issued by the Tahsildar Banspat.
तहसीलदार
Banspat.
annexure टा confuse हुए बहुत है इसमें better हो जाए order पूरा लिख दे slash annexure लिख दे 6 that
Okay.
you also make a habit in your drafting, that's always good. Annexure 6, considering Annexure 6, involving this Annexure 4, this kind of order is very confusing. Higher court को जीवारे से मैंने confuse भी कोड ले use करिवे order रे सेते भलो argument रे Annexure खाली तमरो बनेवा भाई आ Annexure को एंती कोड करा जाए नहीं बारंबार no it's not right.
Copy my lord in
This is called better practice procedure.
Yes.
Which is not followed here unfortunately. अलगा हाई कोर्ट रे एंती एनेक्सर वर्ड बहुत कम यूज आपण देखि जानतो ऑर्डर रे कोड जज मन को ऑर्डर रे भी एनेक्सर लिखा जायनी रेयरली आमो हाई कोर्ट रे गले ऑर्डर जज मन को ऑर्डर रे भी एनेक्सर कदा कदा लिखा जाय आमी भी लिखुछु बट दैट्स रॉन्ग नॉट अ करेक्ट थिंग नेक्स्ट
Hello, urgent copy, my lord.
Item 15.
15
My lord, urgent copy.
सर दिया हो अर्जेंट कॉपी लिखले जे जेरा गुडे अगेन आउट जिंस अर्जेंट काहे के देबू
7 दिन कहले
7 दिन को पे जीवो म तो कहू आज देबो हां आपण अधिक बालाकृति देखु
एविक्शन कर दो
एविक्शन काहे करबे म तो आज देबो कहली पर हम नेबे ना आज नेबे आपण अर्जेंट न कहले भी आज देबी बस ए खरा वाला टाइप पड़े नहीं हला
Item 15.
May I please your lordship?
Item 15, my lord, I have already received the instruction. Detail affidavit से which time is granted.
I'll be
नहीं और नहीं.
and Council of the Union of India 6 weeks time to file the detailed affidavit list the matter on 20th August. Next.
Item 16.
Same matter.
It's about 20 27, my lord. One
এটা কোন idiot
Yes, my lord.
idiot
That is an organization, voluntary.
NGO না হচ্ছে idiot
My lord, that is
ସବୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦଉଛି ଫଣ୍ଡ ଏ ନାଁରେ ତ ଫଣ୍ଡ ଦବନି
area to in the year of 2007 to 10 has
Institute of Development and Implementation of Technicism.
Yes, thank you.
Idiot.
My lord,
Okay.
date-
My lord, I say 27.
27. Oh, 27.
both the
अब
matter.
27 को मैं गले 20th कौन सी दायला
3 time, because I've said.
16 भी से है
Same matter.
16 भी से है एक अच्छा लगे next
Item 17.
17, my lord, it's a very peculiar case, my lord. Here petitioner has filed a writ application with a prayer for a closure of his account and waive out his name in the civil appeal, my lord. So the fact of the case, my lord, in the 2005, he has taken 29,000 as a loan amount. Thereafter,
29,000
only. Thereafter, my lord, in 2010, the bank has filed a suit for recovery of that amount of 13,000. Now, the present petitioner has approached the bank in a good faith for closure of his account. Now they have said that you paid 2,43,000.
केबे नहीं दिले 29,000
2005 में सर मैंने
कोनी
तापरे समय
आज केते वर्ष हलानी
your lordship is right. My humble prayer is they
19 वर्ष हलानी
they have filed a suit before the civil court with a prayer for realization of amount 13,000 in 2010, my lord. That suit is pending.
तो एटी काहे एक्शन
Move in good faith, I have approached the bank for closure of the.
You are the petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
He the banker.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कोई
My lord,
तो ना दी
my lord, already we have written up the account, my lord. Main, they have in the civil that
कितना पर कौन होगा
written up because unless until they
सिविल स्कोर
exactly, my lord. So that for the as is policy of the RBI, my lord, they have to pay the entire amount of the with interest. That is coming over 2,40,000, my lord. So let them pay. We'll close the, my lord.
Because you have filed a suit for
That
13,000.
will withdraw.
they will withdraw sir
How will withdraw?
Because the suit is a decretal amount, they cannot go beyond the decree.
आपण जदी आपण पे कर देला सूट रे विथड्रॉ हे परिबे
नहीं, सूट रे कौन हुए कि once जो decree टा pass हो गला, that decree will prevail.
आज्ञा
They cannot.
काई से जा जिबे कि आपण पैसा दे देले त गला खत्म सेठी डिग्री भी क्लोज
गोटे से यदि वाइव कर दियंते किछि amount,
एपटे भी आंबा खाइबे सेपटे भी आंबा खाइबे आंबा सीजन गलानी पळेलानी सीजन
गोटे काउंटर दियंतो I'll file.
काउंटर काई दे जिबे एटा खत्म करे देले आपण जानता
गोटे काउंटर टे दियंतो I'll file.
काउंटर ने आपण स्ट्रेट आवर पैसा दियंतु आ जानतु घर को अननेसेसरी काई रखी काउंटर रिजेंडर करी अन्य रखी
Why I pray, my lord, because civil suit is there. That is why I am saying that.
जानतु सेठी एटी काई छथि जानतु सेठी सिविल नंबर कोन
Civil suit number, my lord. Yes, ma'am. Civil suit number 594 of 2015.
को कोड रे
एटा झारसुगुड़ा
को पैराग्राफ लिखि छथि No, it is the. को paragraph में लिखते हैं? It is not there now. कहीं की लिखी भी नहीं से paragraph में अपन disclosure करो ना दी cost लगे भी अपन को cost कहीं की लिखी भी नहीं paragraph में civil suit आरो पार्टी कहले जे अपन कहबे नले अपन लिखि कहि ना आंटी हमर नाइ नाइ अपन कहबो न cost लगे भी तो केते नंबर कोन civil suit number 594 of 2015 yes number 549 of 2015 yes before the civil judge senior division Jharsuguda. Since the matter is submitted before the civil judge senior division Jharsuguda in CS number 3549 of 2015, the writ petition filed by the present petitioner cannot petitioner is nothing but forum hunting, and the forum hunting is deprecated by this court. This court has deprecated forum hunting time and again, and since the petitioner has not disclosed this said fact before this court, the petitioner is directed to pay rupees 1,000 as cost, which shall be deposited before the Orissa High Court Bar Association welfare fund देबे 1000 टका दे दे हला छोटा अमाउंट करछि बड़ करिया कथा बार दे देबे अरे पेमेंट योर लॉर्डशिप हैज सेड नो प्रॉब्लम माय लॉर्ड बिकॉज़ लाइक वी नीड एंड दे दे हां सर एंड दे दे देबे कि दे दे आने नाल खाता चोक 1000 रुपीस एंड दिस सेम बार एसोसिएशन वाला को डाकिबो तो ए पैसा जते मु जते कोड सेडा से भुजी रे खर्च करथि ना लाइब्रेरी बही किना हेल्प करे 1000 डॉलर अपन गुडे काम करछि आपण बही किन देबे दैट हला बही रा ना देखिबी बही लिखिबे मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग हला प्रिवेंशन ऑफ मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट प्रिवेंशन ऑफ मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट तार एटा बैरक नहीं बैरक शॉर्टकट कमेंट्री हाँ Lexis Nexis publisher any book Lex published by Lexis Nexis हला
My name और रूपानंद दास
ए 1000 भीतर पड़िबो 1000 अधिक पड़ले देबे आपण आ कोर्स लेखिन ना केम देबे
जा पड़ियो मिस्टर दास इज कैपेबल ऑफ
ओ काट दो से लाइन
Item 18, matter relating to personal accident benefit. Matter relating to personal accident benefit.
Personal
Accident benefit. The husband of the petitioner died in a road traffic accident, having a debit.
personal assistant
Personal accident benefit.
accident
Accident. Husband of the petitioner died in a road traffic accident, having a debit card covered with the personal accident policy.
all debit card holders are with that or selected people are
No. All debit card holder.
all debit card holders
That is the policy.
all debit card holders
My lord heard this matter and in other matter.
अरे सर मन नहीं आपण 800
Then 8 and 9. My lord has asked me that you just tell that insurance company name. That was for direction.
No. I'm saying while you issue the debit card, is it the fact that all the debit card holders whom you issue the debit card, they are entitled to this benefit or specific person get it? A particular category of people get it.
No, my lord, category is not there, not mentioned that.
That means everybody.
Everybody.
If I have taken, I will also get it.
Rupee card.
সেই তো পচারুছি
Rupee card.
ଆପଣ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି
Rupee
ଯେ
card.
particular category of card or simply
Particular categories of card. This policy is meant for particular. They start with the Rupee insurance program.
So how much you with the policy coverage?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
No.
If somebody dies, any accident benefit?
That is on accidentally, this insurance is meant for accidental death. And that is.
Death only,
Death only.
not for
Not for-
any
No.
physical
No.
disability or something. No. Or you suffer some wound,
No,
serious
no.
wound.
That is on death. Se hochi death ro jଣେଇବ ଏତିକି ଦିନ 90 days ଭିତରେ
ଇଏ
ଜଣେଇବ।
କେବେ ଜଣେଇଲି?
ଇଏ ଜଣେଇଲେ ତ ସେ
Bank of Baroda, here for Bank of Baroda.
Bank of Baroda, my lord,
ଆପଣ
that
କେତେଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମ? Bank of Baroda, SBI ଆଉ କେତେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଛି? I'm getting confused.
ସେ ତାର ଏଟା insurance under the Tata AIG.
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
Tata AIG ସେ discussion ମାନେ he will approach to
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Tata
ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ tie up ଅଛି Tata AG
AIG.
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ. So then Tata AG is a party here?
No, my lord.
କେମିତି କରିବେନି?
We have only made party to the bank in order to
ଆପଣ
obtain the
Tata
information.
AG କୁ ଇଏ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି. Who will pay?
Tata AIG.
Bank ଦେଇକି Tata
Tata
AG
AIG
ଦବ.
will pay. Kindly for a moment pay
This is,
3
this is, this is kind of group insurance.
Group insurance. Bas. There it like the Tata AIG will register the claim and provide the claim number to the member bank within 2 working days. within the
But that means
policy.
they will approach you only.
They will apply to Tata AIG.
କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗେ tie up ଅଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ କଷ୍ଟମର ଟା କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ? ମୋର SBI ରୂପେ କାର୍ଡ ଅଛି। ମୁଁ ତ ନିଜେ ଜାଣିନି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଜାଣୁଛି ଯେ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି।
See, ସେଟା
କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ?
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ for that reason my lord asked that which is the insurance company or in other matter my lord already acts in State Bank that like they are having new
So
India.
people will go to State Bank na sir. Why should they go to Tata AIG? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଇଏ ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ତାର ପ୍ରୋସେସ କରିଦେବେ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଯେମିତି ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କଣ ସେଟା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଅଏଲ କି HP ହେଲା ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ଫାଟିଲା କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ଗ୍ୟାସ ବାଲା ପାଖକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ୟାସ ବାଲା ସବୁ ଇଏ କରିକି କାଗଜ କରିଦେଉଛି ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛି ସେଟା ପଇସା ଆସୁଛି ସେମିତି ଆପଣ ବି କରନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ why should they go for Tata AIG all the round କାହିଁ ଭୁଲି କରିବେ ତ ଆପଣ we take steps to give them money.
You know, that my lord already passed order. That order is not available in this regard. That
No,
is
no,
approach to Tata AIG. That order na ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ନା ଆମର ସେଇଦିନ ତାପରେ my lord which
ଯେ
is
ମୁଁ
your-
କହିବା କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ once the bank is having a group insurance with a particular company the particular customer may not be knowing that so why don't you just in coordination with that particular the insurance company you give them the money after getting the money from that insurance company you hand it over to them then I think prudent bankers service banker, a prudent banker should serve like this, I think. Instead of making them to go from pillar to post here and there. I'm those in the devi bank was a bank out, okay, then with the coordinate with the why should he go to Tata AIG and all that? Upon counter just
No, other way I would like to suggest. Let him go to the bank and put forth his event. If there is a format is there at AIG, then they put forth before you through bank, they may pursue the matter. And it will be disposed of in accordance with law. That will solve all the problem.
you approach the bank with all the documents.
Document, relevant
And
document.
the bank will arrange your that money from the Tata AIG. Whatever.
Account to assume.
ହଁ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୋସେସ କରିବେ ତ ହବ ତାପରେ ଆସିବ ନା ପ୍ରୋସେସ ତ କରିବେ ସେ କାହିଁକି ଟାଟା AIG ପଛରେ ଗୋଡେଇବ ସେ ରେପୁଡିଏଟର କ୍ଲେମ ଇଏ କରୁଥିବ ସେ ବିଚାର ଫାଇଦା କଣ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ବେନିଫିଟ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ପ୍ରପର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଧର୍ମକୁ ଆଖିଠାର କଲେ ହବନି ଆଉ କଣ ଦଉଛି ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ କାଉ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଲେଇ ଦେବେ ଏମିତି ବୋଲେ କଣ ଲାଭ ସେ କିଛି ଫାଇଦା ନାହିଁ ସେ ଲେଖ the petitioner's husband, late Rajendra Kumar Mohanty, opened a bank account in the with the Bank of Baroda, Junagadh branch, district Kalahandi, having account number with Rupee ATM card facility bearing card number 6069, which was valid up to 4/26, April 2026, under which he was insured rupees 1 lakh. About 10 lakh लिखते थे
10 lakh मते instruction
सर
आसला
आप 10 lakh लिखते देखो तू
हाँ 10 lakhs लिखिछु सर
कहते हैं 10 lakh ना 1 lakh.
My lord, that page is there, block is there, sum insured of rupees 1 lakhs for rupee card holder. My lord, box, just next para, third para, box it is mentioned. Sum insured is rupees 1 lakhs for rupee. First page, that box, first is rupee.
Sum insured will be 1 lakh for rupee card holder of PMDY old cards and 2 lakh for rupee card holder of PMJDY new card. अपना को card.
rupee card
सर दुईटा के rupee रा new old पुणी अछि. सर एट देखो ना थी एट पढ़ो ए बेर अछि आपन पास ए देखले कोन लिखा छै पढ़ो
old new
rupee रा पुणी अछि अलग अलग ना
some insured 1 lakh for rupee card holder or PMJY
अपन
old
कोटा है
card and
अपन
2
card
lakhs for
फोटो
rupee
कॉपी
card
अछि
holder
कार्ड देले
हाँ
जहां पड़ी
Rupee खाली देखा 4/26 rupee खाली
old new
खाली rupee ना 1 lakh पाइबे खाली जदी rupee अछि अपन 1 lakh पाइबे
आया
आ जदी rupee रे अपन जदी जो न्यू कार्ड जदी rupee रे पाइछन ताले 2 lakh अछि anyway ठीक अछि 1 lakh in case of accidental death. The annual charges will. अच्छा एटा कोन ताले ए जो ए कॉलम रे 10 लाख लिखा जेटा कोन
reach 10 lakh some insured
select. No, select.
so rupee select
There is 3 type of card. Card description.
जो
is there.
select out अलग कार्ड
हाँ, my lord, next page can see. It will be like that. And next page. Next page, there is 3 categories. Rupee, PMZY, Rupee, platinum cards, Rupee, select cards. That must be a high value card.
यार डिपॉजिट अधिक करो
अधिका थिबो कि ताको परमिशन थिबो अधिका देथिबो
हां डिपॉजिट अधिक थिबो निश्चय 40 की 50 लाख एमती कोन थिबो ओके 1 लाख इन केस ऑफ एक्सीडेंटल डेथ या पे एनुअल चार्जेस केते काटंती
धरी हि जाउछि बैंक टू बैंक धरी हि जाउछि
फिर भी आपन के बैंक रे केते काटा
50 टका स्टेट बैंक नउछि यार मु बैंक
ऑफ बड़ौदा के okay the premium is deducted by the bank from the customer
annual charge
in the form of annual charge can annual charge bhitere chada rahuchi which is full stop the petitioner's husband met with a tragic accident on 31st January 2024 at about 4 p.m. Mauled by an unknown vehicle and he succumbed to his injuries. In this connection, a case has been registered being Junagadh UDPS case number 51 of 2024. Learned counsel, the bank doesn't dispute the fact that the petitioner is entitled to get the insurance cover as per the circular issued by the Bank of Baroda. The circular dated 21st April 2023. ଆପଣ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କରିଥିଲେ? କେତେ ଦିନ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କେବେ କରିଥିଲେ?
Annexure 3 my representation.
नहीं केबे करथिले ओडे
11/3/24.
within time.
Aye.
और look should be entitled also learn concept of the bank submit that there is a format prescribed by the for this purpose, and the said form is available with the bank, and the petitioner should approach through the said format, and then the bank. अरे सर सुना तो ठीक है भूल भाल कहबे ना मु सब जानी नहीं ना अपन कथा है वाला मु सुन ले डाकिनी नहीं कौन लगला prescribed for this purpose. The petitioner to approach the bank along with all the required documents, and then the bank shall take steps to forward the application of the present petitioner to the insurance company, and the insurance company, after verifying the documents, take steps to release the insurance amount in a stipulated time. According to the petitioner is required to approach the bank.
There is one clause is there. That is that what advice they have given, subject to transaction to be made within 90 days as per circular number suggest. But subject to transaction to be done within, transaction should be done within 90 days.
No, that concept of the bank for the submit that the transaction means what? মানে আপনার লাস্ট ট্রানজাকশন যে ব্যাংক র
মরিবার 3 মাস পূর্বରୁ ট্রানজাকশন
দাও ଆପଣ
এটা তো টেকনিক্যাল লেভেল তা দেহ কোন অসুবিধা তো আমি ବି জাଣିনু এই ইন্স্যুরেন্স কভার
স্যার এটা রুল তো রুল আপনার টেকনিক্যাল বলি
আমি জাଣିনু ବି ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ইন্স্যুরেন্স
জানি যে আইলে না ব্যাংক আসিলে না মাগি তো আসিলে কোর্ট কু ଆପଣ জানি
ଦେହ ଖରାପ ଥବ କରିପାରି ନଥବ କଣ ନଥବ
not an excuse sorry ଆପଣ ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ଜାଣିଲେ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ ଯୋଉଟା ରୁଲ ଅଛି ରୁଲ ସେ କହିଲେ ଆଉ କଣ ତା ଭୁଲ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଧରିଥିବେ ଏଟିଏମ କାର୍ଡ ବର୍ଷକ ଥରେ ୟୁଜ ବି କରୁନଥିବେ
ନା ମରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ 3 ମାସ ମାନେ ଆମ ଦେହ ଭଲ ନଥବ କଣ ଥବ ଆମେ ଯାଇପାରି ନଥୁ
ତାହେଲେ ମାଗି କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଏନ୍ଜୟ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ପଇସା ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ରୁଲ ଫଲୋ କରିବି ନା କି କଥା ଆପଣ କେବେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଏଟିଏମ ୟୁଜ କରୁନଥିବେ ହଠାତ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଯିବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସିବେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଦେଖ the bank for the submit that the petitioner case shall there is also a condition stipulated in the said circular that the petitioner should have transacted with the bank through ATM at least I mean within 3 months. Within 3 months, or else the petitioner case cannot be considered.
କାରଣ ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନିଜେ ଯେ ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ୟୁଜିଂ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ତ ଭଲ କଥା ଆପଣ ରୁଲ ଆପଣ ରୁଲଟା ଏଇଆ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେଲି ବାକି ଆପଣ ହେଇଥିବ ତ ପାଇବେ ସେ କଣ ଅଛି ତାପରେ in view of the above the petitioner to approach the bank within a week from today. Allah, with all the documents. And the bank shall take appropriate state. You go and approach, but ensure that your client, whether he has used three within last 3 months of his death, 3 months of his death, no? সেটা important.
ସେଗୁଡା ସାର୍ ତାର ଦେହ ଭଲ
আর
ନଥିବ
ফের
କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ଆପଣ ସେଇ
ଥିବ
କଥା ମତେ
ୟୁଜ
କହିଲେ
କରିନଥିବ ସେ ଗୋଟେ
ଆରେ ଭଲ କଥା ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ମତେ
ସେଇ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ତ କଟିଯିବ ସାର୍।
କଟିଗଲା ଗଲା ଆଉ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ ଆପଣ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମାଗି ତ ଅଭିୟସଲି ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରିବେ ଆଉ କଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି କି ଆପଣ ପଇସା ବଣ୍ଟା ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଫିଲ୍ ନ କଲେ କେମିତି ହେବେ ଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ନହେଲେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁନି କିଏ ମନା କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଏପ୍ରୋଚ କରନ୍ତୁନି ଯଦି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସିମ୍ପଲ ତାଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ତ ଇଏ କରିବେ ନା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 19.
Your Lordship. The petitioner is a non-government NGO, Your Lordship, who operates in Bhanipatna in the Kalani
what is the
district.
NGO for?
That is Ujjwala and Sodhar Gruha Yojana was undertaken by that NGO, Your Lordship. That was
Sorry?
Ujjwala and Sodhar Gruha. That was
is
for
that?
upliftment,
What is that?
upliftment of girl child and to restrain any sexual harassment against the girl child, Your Lordship. Page 148, Your Lordship.
48.
The operating part, 151, Your Lordship. Paragraph 7, Your Lordship. In such view of the matter, this writ petition is allowed. The order dated 24/3/23 passed by the opposite party number 2, Collector Kalahandi, blacklisting the petition NGO is quashed. The OP2, Collector Kalahandi, directed to re-examine the entire issue in proper perspective. The petitioner, giving petitioner an opportunity to put forth his case and pass a reasonable order afresh in accordance with law within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. It is further directed that the petitioner NGO what is found to be incorrect, the petitioner may be allowed to function under the Swadhar Gruha and the Ujjwala scheme in future, Your Lordship.
What is the collector didn't pass any order?
He didn't pass in order, Your
You
Lordship.
are
And
sitting over the matter.
I filed an application on the RTO
Step by step. He didn't pass at all any order or did he pass any order?
and begged that he pass an order, Your Lordship.
Why are you not saying all these things? Be very fair to the court. I'm asking you, you're saying no, didn't pass any order. You're saying didn't pass any
He
order.
passed an order,
What is
Your
the order?
that
Please
is
show
on the
me.
annexure 1, page 20, Your Lordship.
देखो ना didn't pass order code. I was under the impression that he is not passing order. He's sitting.
No, he passed an order. That was never communicated to me. When I seek under RTI, Your Lordship, in 6/4/2024, they provided me the order which was of 8/8/2023, Your Lordship. Till then, Your Lordship, I was never been communicated.
When was this order passed? The High Court order?
High Court order was passed on 15/5/2023, Your Lordship.
He has passed in time.
Yes, Your Lordship. And
And
backdate.
my learning senior is saying
Backdate hela. Pass file ka backdate.
I was never being communicated, Your Lordship.
you are participated.
Common.
Though along with the High Court order, I filed an
No
dependency.
contempt can be ago contempt.
No, contempt. Contempt
drop karo ago. No contempt can
be. Contempt or liable habo, Your Lordship, because he has already.
Close କରୁଛି ଏବେ.
No, he is passed. I am challenging this order 8/8/2023.
Let's see the order.
8/8/2023 order. I am challenging, Your Lordship.
What is the order he is passed?
My lord, may I pause for a moment, my lord? My learning senior just now about that the order has not been communicated to them. They have participated in the proceeding.
Yes.
During
how our ଘରୁ ନେଇ ମାଳା ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଦେବେ?
No.
ଆମର ପ୍ରତି ଥିଲେ ସେ
along with the order, I filed a detailed dependency.
सारो representation बात छोड़ो. You were there in before, at the time of hearing, everything, what order?
No, Lordship.
You say.
That's what I am challenging, Your Lordship.
What are you challenging?
The entire facts as well as
What are
I never participated.
grounds, sir,
Grounds that
What is the ground for challenge?
Page 24, Your Lordship. Accordingly, a joint inquiry committee was conducted on 26/5/2022 by the sub-collector of Bhanipatna and DSWO Kalahandi. It is ascertained from the joint report that the management of both Sodargo and Ujjalgo was poor and inmates were suffering. That is in contradictory. There was no such joint inquiry was conducted.
Where is the joint inquiry, sir?
No such joint inquiry was
Where is the
conducted.
report of joint inquiry? You have got it?
And
First time it is Mr.
Okay, let him take instruction. Now consider the state to take instruction from the collector Kalahandi and also file the copy of the joint inquiry report. Joint inquiry report by the constituted by the collector Kalahandi.
And DLPSC report, Your Lordship. Two reports are there.
DLPSC report.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, ठीक है. DLPSC. What is that? DLPSC.
District level, that other PSA.
No, I don't know. DLPSC report. The report of. No.
District level project appraisal committee.
Project appraisal committee. But that is a different. Here actually the specific, because of the allegation against you, that must be some joint inquiry committee. That is the annual, as usual, annual report. Upon performance appraisal, that's a different thing. Here, since an allegation was there against you.
That performance appraisal was done after the incident, Your Lordship. There, they.
Obviously,
There no allegation against me was found, Your Lordship.
Might have occurred earlier.
Report is there, my lord. My lord and senior has annexed that. Kindly have a glance to page 143, my lord. Annex 18.
143.
143.
अच्छी था.
No, one more.
Mismanagement of Sodhar Gro, Ujjala home, managed by the Gangadhar Yuvak Sangha.
The inmates are being compelled to work at Chatua unit even in the night in the processing. As per the version of the inmates, they are being forced to work hard, though they have children who stay with them in Swadhar and need much care. The commission accrued after processing of Chatua number money. So. Inmates informed that displeasure about less water supply by the NGO. The guardians are also not being allowed to meet. Besides this, they observed the initiation of rescue of 6 members inmates against whom FIR has been lodged or done. Being a manager, counseling camp has been organized in the institution 6 institution. अब तो blacklisting का लायक हो भाई.
Lordship.
Blacklisting है वाला था. Blacklisting.
Lordship, when the DSW asked for 50,000, Your Lordship.
All these things, all this story, don't tell me.
Yes, Lordship, that is.
Ask for I'll go by this joint inquiry report.
Lordship, that order, Your Lordship.
Sorry,
page 23. The same order, Your Lordship. That same order.
मांगिला 50 लोग 50,000 मांगिला बेकार कथा बोल.
23, page 23, Your Lordship में पेरुस. As regards bribe taken by the DSW of Kalahandi, it is submitted that the DSW Kalahandi had demanded bribe.
Who has written that? Who has submitted that? You are submitting that.
I submitted
say anything you like.
I submitted it to the SP, Your Lordship.
You might have submitted to the SP. This is not
I gave evidence.
Don't say all these things.
That video footage also I submitted, Your Lordship.
What video footage? You saw whatever submit, they have not found your NGO was not doing a good work. Simple. They are just exploiting the inmates.
No, Lordship. No, there is no allegation from any inmates, Your Lordship.
I'll pass order on the basis of the joint inquiry report. I am not a fact finding.
Lordship may produce Annexure 10 series.
Why have you come here? Tell me. Why have you come here?
to set aside this order passed by the
Which
collector,
order?
that is again he is blacklisted by your lordship.
Blacklisted, where is it blacklisted order?
That is-
Blacklist କାମ କରିବ blacklist କରିବେନି କଣଟା କରିବେ? ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଭିତରେ ପଶିବ?
That page 25, your lordship. Considering the materials above based on official record and after careful examination of the statement of both the party, this court is of the opinion that the performance of the petition NGO was poor with respect to the safety of the inmates.
So you participated there.
He participated there.
Otherwise eligible.
I am not going to entertain this. Sorry, sir. I can't.
Because they are not allowing, your lordship.
Sir, you blacklisted लोगों allow କରିବେନି ସେମାନେ.
A blacklisted has,
आओ एमती काम
your lordship has already set aside that blacklisted order, your lordship.
अब फिर
And
blacklisted allow
by-
करके order दे दूँ. ये participate करो. जागो जागो नहीं. The petitioner has filed the present petition challenging the order dated 8/8/2023 passed by the collector and district magistrate Kalahandi in miss case number 1 of 2023, wherein the compliance to the order dated 15/5/2023 passed by this court in writ petition number 9806 of 2023. क्या लिखते हो? ये छाड़ दे. Miss case number 1 2023 ले. It is the petitioner NGO had earlier approached this court seeking quashing of the which order was being sought to be quashed in that writ petition? 9806 order request.
9806. Order dated 24/3/2023, your lordship.
Quashing the order dated 24/3/2023, wherein the petitioner organization was ordered to be blacklisted by the DS, by the authority. Also, accordingly, this court interfered in the matter and passed an order. What is the order passed? Order
By this 148, page 148, your lordship.
Come on, the prisoner has approached this court challenging the order dated order dated 15/5. Sorry,
6/1/2024. In this petition, my lord.
6/1/2024. The grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioner is not allowed to participate in the press
Selection of
selection of NGO for the for
To run Swadhar Griha and Ujjala Home.
to run Sudhar Griha and
Ujjala Home
Ujjala Home.
Ujjala Home
at Bhavanipatna.
at Bhavanipatna. Though the joint inquiry report passed by the, what is that? Page. Inquiry report.
143, my lord. Annex 18.
Though the joint inquiry report by the is constituted by the collector Kalahandi,
Sub-collector, your lordship.
huh?
Sub-collector and DSWO.
But constituted by a collector, no?
Yes, collected.
Collector Kalahandi. Wherein the wherein the NGO was found to have lot of deficits in its operation. And some of the deficits are not in tune with the objective of the NGO. Hence, the authority now they have they're not, I mean, you are now out of
Yes, your lordship. Now they are not running this Swadhargriha and Ujjala, your lordship,
accordingly
since 2023.
the present petitioner is not running the Sudhar Griha and
Ujjala.
Ujjala Home. Yes, sir. Be that as it may. The learned counsel petitioners further submits that the petitioner's NGO has been unnecessarily being harassed for because of the disaffection by the then
DSW, Your Lordship. DSW.
TSW. Disaffection by disaffection because of some extraneous consideration. Without going into the merit of the case, this court is of the view that if the petitioners the petitioner may be allowed to participate in the selection of NGOs for the aforesaid purpose.
If the selection
Twenty-
has not been completed in the meantime, can I-
No.
it has
20
January to pass.
23,
If
24.
the selection has not been completed in the meantime.
For the financial year 23, 24.
ठीक है देखो जाओ एनजीओ गुड़ा चलेंगे सब एमती सब उल्टा धंधा काम करते सब ना बेसी करता सब उल्टा सब धंधा काम करते समझते
Yes, sir.
आ मते सब जाना अछि से एरिया में जानी छी सब कौन हुई डोंट से दैट भारी भलो लोग मान छ
Item 20.
20
My lord, I am applying for the bank.
yes madam
Bank cooperative bank.
आप क्या कहते हो
So your lordships, the copy has been served to the bank.
yeah father
Petitioner, your lordship.
petitioner so what do you say
The soft copy late. We seek more
so
time.
you want to file the
For
claim?
instruction.
Not last with the opposite party bank urban
Urban, Kotak.
bank file the reply list the matter on 13 August
13th August. Yes.
Your
Obliged.
lordship, obliged.
next
21.
21
May I please, Your Lords, my lord. In this case, the petitioner has challenged the eviction notice. Page 56.
okay
Page 56, the
what happened
eviction notice was
कौन है कौन तो ठीक है कौन पे एविक्शन नोटिस ହେଇଛି
illegal, alleging illegal encroacher to the government land. My lord, I preferred appeal against the order of Tahsildar. Appeal confirmed, sub-collector confirmed the order of the Tahsildar. Thereafter, I preferred a revisional authority on 12.2. At 12.2, the collector has also confirmed the order of the sub-collector. During the division, I have raised some ground that has not been taken note of. My lord, page 40.
what is your best point tell me first
My lord, the land does not belong to the state government of Orissa because
it belongs then the land belongs to whom
that is tenants, all the tenants. I am,
answer my question
your
who
lordship
is the
kindly,
owner of the land
my lord, all the lands belong to erstwhile king. That is,
sir hostile king land both
he handed over the possession to the
To the-
tenants,
to the
to the various tenants.
then
And there was a order passed by the then SDO to issue the HAL pota in favor of the tenants. That
Kebe-
order has
kebe-
till
kebe
date
ଥିଲା? କେବେ ସେ order-
1963. I look page
63
page. Your lordship can go page 67. That order is immediate step be taken to issue HAL new potas to the tenants. That order still exists, my lord.
63
63. And I got some, today I got some order from this, the order passed by this Hon'Ble Court. This khata and the plot number, this Hon'Ble Court in other case has passed and status quo order was there in that case, my lord. Today morning I
I
got.
don't know which case, that case, this case, I am really, I am confused. যদি এই কোর্ট পাস করছে তাহলে এটা কম পাই আসেনি তাহলে আপনি
Status quo order টা তাদের ଅଛି today they are already
କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟରେ ପାସ୍ ହେଲା ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟରେ କେଉଁଟା ପାସ୍ ହେଲା
ନାଇଁ ଏ କୋର୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ but this Hon'Ble Court.
ହଁ ତ ଏଇ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ତମ ଏଇ
Yes.
କୋର୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟ କିଏ ପାସ୍ କଲା ଦେଖିଲୁ ଏଇଟା ପୁଣି କାହାର ମ୍ୟାଟର
A tenant man has challenged that recording of the
2020 କିଏ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲା କାହା ପାଇଁ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲା ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ କଣ ଏଇ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା କଣ ଏଇଟା କିଏ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲା ସରି ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଆସିଥିଲା ଏଠି
it is that those tenants have come before this Hon'Ble Court.
those tenants man we are not among them
I am not amongst them. My vendor has occupied that land and he gave me that which I have been in possession of the said land. Well, this point I have raised before the revisional authority, and the revisional authority, while rejecting my revision application, did not take note of these points, my lord. And today, my lord, half of the portion of the house has already been demolished.
ସାର୍ ମତେ କେସ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ ଦୟାକରି ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇବେ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ବୁଝି ପାରେନି ଅଧା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଅଧା ଫାଳେ ଫାଳେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିନି ଦୟାକରି ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟ ଟେ ତ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଡେଟା ତ ବନାନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବେନି ସିଧା କୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇ ଆଇବେ ଆସିକି ଏଣେ ଗପ କଣ ଶୁଣିବେ ମତେ କମ ସେ କମ ନୋଟ ଟେ ତ ବନାନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଇଏ ହେଲା କଣ ହେଲା କୋଉ କେସ୍ କିଏ ଏଇଟା ଆଣିକିରି ଗୋଟେ ଧରେଇଦେଲେ ତାର ନା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ନା ଗଣ୍ଡି
ଆଜି morning ରେ ପାଇଲି ତ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ।
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ୟାର ପିଟିସନର କିଏ
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ
respondent କିଏ
just
କିଏ ଜାଣିବେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ
Today morning I got that.
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ ସିନା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
Since
ଆପଣ
the
କେସରେ
matter-
ଆପଣ ବିଶାରଦ ମୁଁ ତ ସବୁ କେସରେ ବିଶାରଦ ହେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ମତେ
this
ଅବେଶ
matter
ଏଇଟା
is
ଭଲ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିଏ ପାର୍ଟି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ କାହାର କେସ୍ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟାକୁ ପତ୍ର କରିବି
that record may be called for.
ତ ଆଣି ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ରେକର୍ଡ କଲ୍ କରି ଆପଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ପେଜରେ ତ ଦେବା କଥା କିଏ ପାର୍ଟି ଜାଣିବି ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି
ଆପଣ ଧରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଫାଳେ ଇଏ ଆଗ ତ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହଉଥିଲା ତ ଖବର ପେଜ ନଦେଲେ କେମିତି ଜଣାପଡିବ?
ମୁଁ cover page
ଏବେ ସିନା ଆମେ ଲେଖୁଛୁ ପୁରା ପାର୍ଟି କିଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଗ ସେମିତି ତା ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ପେଜ ଲଗା ହଉଥିଲା ସାମ୍ନାରେ ସେଠି ଜଣା ପଡୁଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆମର ସେଟା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଆଣିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟିନ ନୋଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି
ଗୋଟେ
because
ଛୋଟ
my predicament is that
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେଡିକାଟ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ପ୍ରେଡିକାଟ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବୁଝିପାରୁନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଏଇତିଆ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକରେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଡେଟ୍ ବନେଇବେ ପଏଣ୍ଟସ ଟୁ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ 1 2 3 4 ବନେଇବେ ଆଉ ମତେ ଧରେଇଦେବେ ମତେ ଇଜି ହବ ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଡାଳର ପଦେ ମୂଳର ପଦେ ସେଥିର ପଦେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେନି
let it come tomorrow.
ଟୁମୋରୋ one day after tomorrow
My lord, today they are demolishing.
କିଛି ହବନି ମ କାହିଁକି
No, already part of the
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା
ଟିକେ ସେତିକି protection ଦେଇ
The
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
prima facie finding is that he is not a landless person, your lordship.
No, that's
For clearly under section 7.
Still day after tomorrow no course
But-
action
Yes, my
till the next date of listing
No.
yes, my
till next date of listing no course
My lord,
ଆପଣ
since
ଭଲ କରି କରନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କରିକି ମୁଁ
See,
ପୁରା
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ,
ବନେଇକି
ଆପଣ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଏଇଗୁଡାକରେ ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ସୁଡ୍ ବି କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ ନ ଦେବି ମତେ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ
ଠିକ ଅଛି My lord, since they are
But
demolishing,
part
My
as by learned senior is submitting, part of that property has already been demolished, your lordship. Because then even if we stop now, they will still file contempt is what my
no, on
anticipation is, your
telephonally
lordship.
they
Because-
can.
till the next date of listing
Till
coercive
next
the
date.
only 2 days
My lords.
My lord,
I'm not going to ଲମ୍ବା ଚଉଡ଼ା ଦେଇକିରି ବର୍ଷ ଗଡେଇବା ଏଇଟା କରିବିନି 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ
but
ଖତମ
ସେତିକି my learned
all
friend
the ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡେମୋଲିସନ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା ନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମନେ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ 3 ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ହପ୍ତାହ ଭିତରେ କ୍ଲୋଜ ଆଉ ଏଇ ଲମ୍ବା ବର୍ଷ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା either this way that way ଖତମ
may I pray, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, my learned friend, if telephonically
Yes,
instruct
I'll
them,
instruct.
he will do that
problem.
tell the
I'll inform him.
till the next date କହିଦେବ ଆମେ order to Next,
22.
22.
May I please your lordship? The petition was arrested for commission of offences punishable on section 498A, 304B, 306, reduced section 34 of the Indian Penal Code and on section 4 of the DPR. Is the father-in-law of the deceased?
I had decided on this.
Yes, so far the husband is concerned, your lordship
Who is
allows
this,
him to
who
go
is
on.
this present petitioner?
Father-in-law.
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 My lord. Husband has been released on bail by my lord's order.
Father-in-law, main culprit ki. Who is the father-in-law? What is his role?
Role, that is a omnibus allegation that the deceased was subjected to ill treatment due to non-fulfillment of demand of doubt, both husband
Husband
and.
was not there.
ହଁ, ବହୁତ
Husband was out, staying outside.
ଏଇ ଜୁଆଇଁ ଓ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ମୋ ଝିଅକୁ ମାଡ଼ ମାରି ଘରକୁ ପଠାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତି।
ବାପା ବି
ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନର।
ମାନେ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଟା ଆଗରୁ ପଳେଇଲା ଇଏ ବାପା କିନ୍ତୁ ରହିଗଲା। ଉଲ୍ଟା ହୁଏ ନା ସେମିତି। What is the age of this father?
67.
Senior citizen.
67 years, as a retired government employee.
ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏତିକି ବୁଦ୍ଧି ସୁଦ୍ଧି ନାହିଁ ତାର।
ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ଏତିକି ବୁଦ୍ଧି ସୁଦ୍ଧି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଲୋକର। ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ପାଠଶାଠ ପଢିଲା ଲୋକ କାହିଁ
ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲିଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଡି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
କିଛି କରୁଥିଲେ ନିଆଁ ନଥିଲେ ଧୂଆଁ ହଉଛି। ନିଆଁ ବି ତ ଥିବ ନା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ। ସେ case pertaining to which police station?
ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ।
Bhubaneswar. Okay. He is in custody since?
Custody since 26/6/2024.
ଏବେ what is his role? This can you tell me?
I have not yet received it for the first time. It has been listed. CD was not there. My lord is not there. ସେଇ FIR କପିରେ ଯାହା ଜଣାପଡୁଛି ଜୁଆଇଁ ଓ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ମୋ ଝିଅକୁ ମାଡ଼ ଗୋଳ କରି ଆମ ଘରକୁ ପଠାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଝିଅକୁ ବୁଝାସୁଝା କରି ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଛାଡି ଆସେ।
Now the girl is with you now or she's where is the girl now?
ନାଇଁ ମରି
Oh sorry, they died. So I'm so sorry. Then who has killed them? Who has killed this girl?
Madam?
Who has killed this girl?
Committed suicide.
Suicide.
Yeah. While the husband and wife were residing in the Bhubaneswar, wife committed suicide.
They were at that time husband was there. This old man was also there.
It is alleged that this man was present at the time of suicide. Rejection order ଅଛି suicide କରିଛି।
ठीक है फादर ग्रांट any ailment? Any ailment?
No.
Written fine. ଏମିତି ଲୋକ କିଛି ହୁଏନି ବଦମାସ କିଛି ହବନି ଏକଦମ ଫିଟଫାଟ ଥାନ୍ତି ବିମାର ବି ହୁଏନି 66
67.
66 Granted.
Item.
Item 21, Malams may give an observation that the petitioner submitted that the property has been partially demolished. That observation may only be given.
Yes, you're right. Otherwise, they will say order tha, damage kar diye.
Item 23.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I'm in custody since my lord the 4/6/2020.
Four, six.
Yes, my lord, 2020. Plus the more than 4 years, my lord. The
What is the
offense
ground?
is what is the NDPS case, my lord?
NDPS?
Yes, my lord.
You are
Yeah,
carrying?
I'm the my lord, the
700
driver of
705
720
kg.
my lord, ganja, but I'm the driver. No, no, yes, my lord.
You are the
775.
driver.
Driver of the vehicle.
775.
Yes, driver of the vehicle, my lords. Yes,
Since 4/6/2020.
20 my lords.
Okay.
Yes.
Then
No,
we are
my
from Bihar?
No, my lords, I am for the, my lord, I am
Andhra
for
Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, my lord.
ପଳେଇଲେ?
ନାଇଁ ପଳେଇଲେ ମୋର ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ଟା ଏନସିବି ବାଲା ସେ କଣ ଖସିକି ଯାଇପାରିବ ଏମାନେ
NCB?
ଧରି ଆଣିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଧରିକି ଆଣିବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ
4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ନା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା more than 4 years
NCB ହଉଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି ତାକୁ 3 ମାସ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କରିଦେଉଛି
ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ଦେଲେ ଆଉ
ହବ ତ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ କଣ
ଯାଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯାଉ
ଆଉ
କଣ୍ଡିସନାଲି
ନାଇଁ,
ନାଇଁ
ପଳେଇ
ଏତେ
ତ
ବର୍ଷ ନାଇଁ
ଆସିନି।
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି
ହଉ
even
ହେଲା,
if
ଆଉ
last ମିଲ
ଆଉ 3 ମାସ ଯିବ କଣ? 4 ମାସ
for a moment ମିଲ for a moment 4 ବର୍ଷ ଉପରେ ରହିଲାଣି କଷ୍ଟରେ ସେମାନେ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସାରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ପୁଣି କେତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ and even if the lordship knows ମିଲ the
ମୁଁ ତ
lordship
କହୁଛି କୋରାପୁଟ ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ
କୋରାପୁଟ
ନାଇଁ
ତ?
ନାଇଁ ଏନସିବି ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର?
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ସେ ନେଇ ଆସିବେ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ସରିଗଲା ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ସରିଗଲା ବି ସେମାନେ ନେଇ ଆସିବେ କିଛି ସେଠି ଥାଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା 4 ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲାଣି କଷ୍ଟରେ ଆଉ ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ସେ କଣ ତାର ଇଏ ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ନବ?
ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦବ ତାକୁ
775 kg.
ନା ନା ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦଉ ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Truck train
କିଛି ପଇସା କିଛି ଯଦି ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଆଣିକି
ଗୋଟେ
ତାର
ଗାଡି-
ବ୍ଲଡ ରିଲେସନସିପ ଦଉ ବ୍ଲଡ ରିଲେସନ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସିଏ ତାର 3 ମାସ
3 ମାସ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ଆଉ ଏତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲାଣି, ଆଉ କେତେ ମାସ
lordship kindly for a moment even if your lordship
I am concluding it and by it will be
lordship
complete.
last
Sir,
lordship this
only
is
3 people
this
are
is
there.
the 5th time bail application I have 5
This
million
time is the last time.
no lordship kindly
I'll
for
make it
appreciate
clear.
lordship kindly lordship is prerogative lordship allow reject lordship's prerogative lordship last judgment of the apex court lordship knows me that is your lordship then below the article as per the article 21 lordship knows me the same judgment is the 19th this month judgment lordship I have given all the and also the present petition is the HI patient and yes Lord, the HI patient is concerned. Honorable Apex Court also granted, my lord, the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court. This is a recent judgment. Yes, my lord. Supreme HI patient judgment order with it.
ଏଇ ତମ କଇସ କି
Again, HI patient
ଲୋଡ
judgment.
ଏଚପି ତାର କୋଉଠି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ?
Yes, my lord, the Bhavani Singh, this particular.
ଆରେ ବାବା ତମ କେସ ରେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ କାଇଁ?
ମୋ case ରେ document ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି
HI
last order ବି reflect ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା. Last lordship's order, lordship's for a moment, my lord. Lordship's order. Yes, my lord. Lordship is yes, my lord. The phase 50. No, not.
He further submit
50.
the person has been suffering from HIV since long.
Lordship, kindly for a moment.
अरे डॉक्यूमेंट तो
Yes,
दिखाओ।
page 52. Lordship is page 52 for a moment. Yeah, just a minute. Learned counsel for the petitioner submit the petition is a driver of the vehicle and the contraband ganjas once along with the opinion which was beyond the knowledge of the petition. The petition has no criminal attention. He further submitted the petition is suffering for HIV since long and he has been suffering from HIV patient since long. He is under treatment for which there may be reason well. That is the on record, my lord.
भाई तम डॉक्यूमेंट तो
ଆଜ୍ଞା
दिखाओ।
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମଗେଇଥିଲେ କଲ ଫର ମକେଇକି ଏଇଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅର୍ଡରଟା
ସେଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
But this is in submission. This is not the
Sir, no, no.
observation of the
No.
honorable court. This is in submission.
Lordship pay 7.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ଟିକେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଟିକେ କହିଲା
କଣ what kind of this is? Let him complete na. You will get your chance.
7.
You get your chance.
7 paragraph 7 lordship's order page 50 to 7. Considering the fact and submission made since the petition health condition stable, that is the melody reflect. That means present petition is the HIV patient, my lord. Lordship is indicated, my lord.
Since the petitioner is also suffering from HIV and he requires periodical checkup. Those hence and keeping him in custody for such a long time. Might deteriorate his health for the full stop. It is made clear that the petitioner shall be present before the court as and when he is required on the each date of posting of the matter.
Basically say line से गुट्टे line पढ़ले तापर line टा पढ़ले as per the report of the land.
अरे भाई काहे पढ़िसा से लोग एते लोग बोलते तो क्राइम क्रिमिनल ना
Your lordship has said that you will get your chance. When my turn comes, your lordship is saying that काहे कौन
2000 किलो वाला को
क्या करते
4 वर्ष रहिलाणी you should understand
पहिले जे मो चान्स मिलियो से गोटे लाइन पढ़ले ता लाइन पारले
हौ पढନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ना आउ दरकार
କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
आपण जा करसन
एनसीबी वाला आपण କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଶୁଣିବା ନହେଲେ ବାଟ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କହିରା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କହିବେ ତ
ନା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ତ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ତ
ମୁଁ କହିଲି
ଆପଣ
ଗୋଟିଏ
ଆଜି କଲେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି ନା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଯାହା କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
କହିଲି ସେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆଡିଶନାଲ ସେସନ जो उसको मगा आइतला रिपोर्ट ସେଥିରେ ସେ କହିଥିଲେ his condition is stable and he is taking regular medicine by the jail authority they are
ମୁଁ
providing
କଣ ଦେଖିଲି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
His
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ସେ କହି ନଥିଲି
might deteriorate
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ସେଟା ପା କହିଲି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି କହିଲି ଆପଣ ଦବାରେ
ଯାଇ ବୁଝିଲେ ଓକେ ଏ ଚାସ୍ କାଇଁ ପଛରେ 4 ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲାନି ଗୋଟେ ବେଲ୍ଟ ଦବନି ମଣିଷ ମରା
ନାଇଁ କହିଲେ ଆମ ସବମିଶନ ନହେଲେ କହିବେ ନା ଆମ ଓକିଲ କିଛି କହିଲେନି ବୋଲି
ହଁ vehemently oppose
ନାଇଁ 37 is a
that
pass
the condition of the present
ସେ
petition
କହିବେ ନା ଏନସି ବାଲା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ବା ଏଥିରେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
stable at present
ଏନସି ବାଲା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବେଲି
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଲେଖୁଛି ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖିଦଉଛି ଆଉ however his condition is stable and he is as and when the medical attention is required the jail authority has taken sufficient care ଆଉ କଣ ଲେଖିବି ଯଦି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ
37 बार सर
ଆଉ 37 ବାର ବି ଲେଖ 37 ବାର ବି ଲେଖିଦବ ହେଲା So, and local security 1 lakh,
आज लॉर्डशिप
2 lakh,
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏତେ ପଇସା କଣ 4 ବର୍ଷ ରହି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଏତେ ପଇସା ଦେଇପାରିବି
4 ବର୍ଷ
କୁଆଡେ ଆସିବ
1 lakh.
ପିଲା ଦିଟା ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ପଇସା ବି ନାହିଁ ବାପା
ବଡ ବେପାରୀ
ବଡ ବେପାରୀ ପୁଅ ଦିଟା ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଛୁଆ ଦିଟା ପଇସା ନାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବଡ ବେପାରୀ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗ୍ରେଟଫୁଲ
ठीक है next who local student now obviously next
Item 24.
May I plead your lordship? This is a petition under section 439 CRPC. The petitioner is incriminated under section 395, 397, 120B.
What is your role in the crime? Come to point directly. What is your role? What is your role in the crime?
I am a co-accused in this case.
Co-accused.
Sir.
So Lordship may remember that Devgaon Dakaiti case, gang Dakaiti. The principal accused has already released on bail.
All are all on bail.
See, copy.
Put the division.
You have filed that the other order?
Sir, file korchi.
With acha rejection order ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଟା କୋଉଠି wait
Flag.
the order
Flag.
flag hey this man is who is this man
Soumya Ranjan Naik.
okay 100 plants ଲଗେଇବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏରିଆ ରେ
Sir.
100 plants
Sir.
of local varieties
Sir.
okay 100 okay granted next
Item 25.
Item 25, my lord. Lordship has been pleased to grant bail to the petitioner interim bail and directed him to surrender. The petitioner surrendered on 22/5/2024. This is the surrender certificate may be taken to record.
that's what
What?
this is the matter point
The petitioner is a thalassemia patient, my lord, undergoing treatment.
but what is the crime he committed
376 reduce section 6 and 17 of the POSCO Act and 3 of the SC/ST Act.
ହଉ ରହୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିନ ଯାଉ
ରହିଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହେଲା ଆଉ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ନଉ ତ ଭିତରେ ଆଉ
ନା ଭିତରେ ରହିଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା 21/1/2020 ରୁ 4 ବର୍ଷରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ରହିଲାଣି
କ୍ରାଇମ ବି ତ ସେମିତି କରିଛି
Victim already examined, my lord.
केते से झियर एज केते
Victim already examined.
केते एज केते
ये जगह कौन सी? 17 वर्ष.
17 वर्ष
17 वर्ष
आगे.
let him stay for some
4 वर्ष ऊर्ध्व रहिलेन 4.5 वर्ष पाखापाखि रहिले.
how many charge sheeted witness have been examined
My lord, total charge sheeted witness examined 5, including the victim.
out of
Out of charge sheeted witness is 41.
41
This is the copy of the charge sheet.
The survivor had not been cross-examined and she has been called on 7th of August.
who
The survivor,
victim.
the survivor, ma'am.
okay let her list the matter list in the month of September 4th September we'll see that in the meantime the registry to obtain the status huh?
Your status report may be called for. So that.
ठीक
God bless you.
next
26.
26
The petitioner is already in custody for 3 years, 4 months.
what is the crime
302 and 25 and 27 of Arms Act, your lordship.
unsafe
Yes, your lordship.
bomb
Guliman,
oh pistol
pistol, your lordship. All of the co-accused persons has already been released on bail. This petitioner also released on bail by this honorable court, your lordship. During the bail period, your lordship, he has been involved in 2 cases. Accordingly, yes, your lordship. Last occasion, I submitted those things, your lordship. That's why your lordship. For some more.
I'm not inclined to
No, that's why your lordship.
again commit
No, lordship, my lord. Then your lordship.
if after granting of bail this man went and again further committed the crime
He has
so
been implicated
how
in
can
2
the
cases.
court will have any
Yes, your lordship.
confidence on this
I'm explaining that, your lordship. I'm explaining your. Out of those 2 cases, your lordship, in one case, the informant approached this honorable court and that has been quashed, your lordship.
anyway we let him be there
Your lordship, another
not a
case,
sant.
the
he's not a sant mahatma
no, your lordship,
Then-
all the co-accused person has already been released on bail, your
maybe the
lordship.
co-accused
And
person,
this person,
their conduct was good his conduct was not good
your lordship, he has falsely implicated, your
I
lordship.
don't
There
know
the
false-
informant has already been examined, your lordship.
anyway let him continue let him stay. I'm not granting.
Let it
But your
come.
conduct is not.
Let it come 1 week after your.
No, no.
Let it come 1 week. In the meantime, your lordship.
I'm rejecting.
Already for 3 years and 4 months, your lordship.
Maybe
In connection with this
crime
case.
is also very is grievous, sir.
Lordship, the 2
Ah.
cases, in view of the election, your lordship, the 2 cases, he has been implicated in those 2 cases, your lordship.
I don't know.
And both the
Election
cases,
is just a pretext.
Lordship, in both the cases,
Election is a pretext.
one has already been passed by this honorable court, your lordship.
Maybe.
And another, that the informant himself has deposed, he has not lost that affair, your lordship.
Sorry, sir, I'm not granting. Let him be.
Lordship, I will produce all the documents, your lordship. I will file all the documents.
No.
On an affidavit, your lordship.
What affidavit? How does
Because
it help?
those 2 cases where he has been implicated after being released on bail, your lordship, in those 2 cases, your lordship, one passed by this honorable court. And another, the informant has in another case, your lordship, other case, the informant has already been examined and he himself has deposed. He has not lost that affair, your lordship. On being instructed by the police, he put his signature.
What document you want to file?
Those 2 evidence copy, your lordship, of
Okay.
those 2.
Okay, get that copy. List the matter on September also. List the matter on 5th September.
Any date of August.
September.
Any date on.
No, sir. Let him come.
Any stringent
You
condition.
also take sufficient time to collect
it. I'm ready to plant the tree, your lordship. Lordship, just.
You will plant tree once I grant bail, na?
Yes,
Without
Your
granting
Lordship.
bail,
Any stringent
plant tree
condition,
inside the jail.
any stringent
We
condition,
have a space
any
there,
stringent condition, Your
plant tree
Lordship.
there, who is
Because I've been implicated falsely in 2 cases, Your Lordship. I've been implicated
Let's see
falsely.
after I see the document, whatever document.
At least short date may be given.
Let the deposition copy.
Yes, Your Lordship. At least short date may be
Yes,
given.
12th August.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Next.
Item 27.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, here in this case, the present petitioner is inside custody since 2/7/2020, my lord. 2/7/2020. Within this,
What is the crime?
my lord, 302 and 34 of the IPC.
302.
My,
Who was killed?
my lord, as per the FIR allegation, this present petitioner ako use karthile.
Who used?
That the my lord, the allegation, as per the FIR allegation, या जरियारे डाकिकी हत्या करा जायची.
This man called.
My lord.
He was only used, used as a, person to call him.
My lord, as per the FIR allegation. As per the FIR.
He's a messenger.
Charge sheet is concerned, charge sheet
He
was
was,
submitted.
he was a messenger.
No, जो मंदिर पुरोहित.
I'm saying that he says na. So he was sent for calling the victim. So
Medium. As a medium, but
he was a messenger.
my lord, within this 4 years, out of 39.
No, forget that. First, you explain
My
the
lord,
role.
My lord, but my lord, here in this case, there is no direct eyewitness to the occurrence. There is no direct evidence that this person is killed. Basing on the confessional statement before the police that
Who has confessed?
this present petitioner.
The present petitioner confessed.
Okay.
Okay, she said, I have killed.
Okay. But before the police, which is not admissible.
Then just because he said before.
No,
the
my
police,
lord. There must be some direct witness. There must be some eyewitness.
any direct witness, Mr.
No.
I have received it part CD, my lord. So far that my lord and sister is saying that he has confessed or whatever. I have not yet received any.
Let him get the full CD.
No.
Let
Have
consider the
CD of
state to
164,
obtain the
161.
full updated case diary. Updated case diary. List the matter on 8th August.
Again. Fine.
Okay, next.
28.
28.
Item 28, your lordships, the petitioner is dead. We have written letters to the family.
The
to legal
petitioner is dead.
Yes, your lordship. Need some more time for substitution.
Substitute,
Yes, your lordship.
Land concept of the petitioner. 6 to substitute the petition with the legal heir. Let the application for substitution be filed within 1 week, 2 weeks, how much?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. So 2 weeks. List the matter September log. Okay. 10th September.
Grateful.
Next.
Item 29.
May I please be for
29.
My lord, call for the custody certificate.
This is first time coming.
No, my lord. Earlier custody certificate adjournment lordship, and I have also obtained the custody certificate. More than 50% already they have served, my lord.
Out of?
7 years.
7 years.
My
He
lord.
spent how much time?
392 457 IPC convicted for 7 years.
No, he had spent, you are saying 3.5 years.
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, appellate court granted bail. And one of the custody certificate I have also filed into.
Now he is not in custody.
Yes, my lord.
You are
211.
saying the appellate court granted bail?
No, the appellate court it file la par arrest la ya 3/6/2024
My
lord. In 211 I have also filed the receipt. I mean,
whenever you are out of your feverish span, we can have it. When are you going to be completely cured and argue?
This 1 week also
1
viral
week,
fever is
okay.
not.
Huh?
Viral fever I am suffering today also.
Viral fever.
My
So I am granting you 1 week time. I am sure you will be okay after 1 year. Oh, sorry, 1 week. You got 10 days time. I'm granting. Okay, get ready and let's finish it.
Well,
So why unnecessarily this matter we kept pending for such long time?
May I pray in the meantime, my learned brother should supply the deposition copies
please
of.
serve the deposition copy.
Man.
And CD is there? LCR? Huh? LCR? So in the meantime, the registry to obtain the LCR from the court below. I'm fixing it for final hearing. Don't take further time. 14th August. 14th August, I'm sure you'll be okay by that time. Or your viral fever will continue till that time. I'm sure you'll be okay. Don't worry. Viral fever doesn't take so much time. 3-4 days sufficient. Okay. Okay. There you go. So please give me a written note of submission. Like that. You also, Mr. We'll finish on that day. Okay. I'm fixing for final hearing.
Only after getting the deposition, I can prepare it.
He will give you. The petitioner and the state will submit the note of submission. And also the deposition copy may be shared by the counsel for the petitioner on the next date of hearing. List the matter on 14th August. It is made clear that no party shall request for any and answer, no request for adjournment shall be granted to any of the parties.
May I pray one thing?
Cost pocket bhi jodi magi bhi.
May I pray one thing? Later, a copy of the soft copy of the deposition. I have no deposition copy with me, my lord. If LCR. Pen drive, your lordship will direct.
LCR to assign a copy.
You don't have that deposition copy?
No, my lord. Only both.
The registry to
LCR
the registry to share a copy of the deposition to the counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state as and when the LCR is obtained by the registry. Please get your pen drive and take it.
Item 31.
Give soft copy, you will not share any hard copy.
Item 31.
31. 31 query. You're there? No? See, it's coming up with is there any
Last of non
non-appears on behalf of the petitioner on 26/7/2024 also. Petitioner was absent. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter according to dismissal for non-prosecution. However, 1 month time is granted to the petitioner to file application for restoration if any cause of action survives. Hello? Next.
33.
33.
33 on OT scheme method settled.
So you settle the matter?
Chief permits, my lord. 32, my lord, your lordship directed me to obtain
32?
32, my lords.
5th of August to adjourn.
What is the matter about?
The lordship in that case directed the vigilance director to submit a report.
Yes.
Pertaining to the pendency
Correct.
and completion of the investigation.
Yes.
I've got the reports, my lords.
Please share that. So who was the other side?
Mr. Jamne.
No, their grievance, petitioner grievance has been mitigated.
He's for the petition.
Petitioner grievance has been mitigated, my lords. Whatever the promotional matter is there, my lords. Bereft of that, my lord, the lordship directed me.
5th of August.
Sir, one
May
thing.
I resubmit again on?
No, you submit that. I'll go through this report. On 5th of August, the other council be present and we'll pass out.
He has nothing to do with this because.
Anyway, sir, why should somebody will raise objection? I was not there, order was passed behind my back, all these things.
All these grievance paint with the promotion. That has been elevated.
Correct.
because the grievance has been mitigated.
Let him be there on the next day.
Then I submit it tomorrow, next day, or should I give it tomorrow?
On that day, you'll submit. It's better. The small letter can be missed here. So you can give on that day. Okay. Next.
32, at least my prejudice may be.
Yes.
Sangram Das. That cause list also should indicate my.
Yes.
The vigilance, something like.
I understand. So 5th August. I'll close on that day. Okay.
Item 33.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
Mr. Das, you have addressed all the issues. Now I've raised all the issues I've raised in that.
I tried my best, my lord, to pursue the department, to get all the data and all this. Whatever possible, my lord, I'll come back to your lordship to satisfy your lordship.
Because basically, see, I was actually concerned with there are many cases where the vigilance is okay, arresting them on bail or whatever.
I agree,
or
my lord,
depart-
there has been apathy in some cases.
But the investigation is taking so much time. I understand your constraints also because there are the vigilance department is suffering from huge shortage of staff.
That is one of the.
That is one of the major
issues. That will also
So-
understand the ground realities.
Yeah, but
that-
but at the same time, 8 year, 9 year, 10 years investigation
That has
process,
to be
that is
addressed.
really
That has to be addressed. And we have taken steps my lord, for
cannot be
deployment.
digested. This is something very
That's true.
unusual.
I agree with you.
On the one hand, you say we are in prosecution, we are one of the best. The same time, the investigation side, we are
That term, out of the four
not so
types of
good.
out of the four types of cases under the Prevention Corruption
Okay.
Act, the TRAF, TA, and
We'll see that. Even what is the we also
DA
try to
cases
find out what is the shortage, staff shortage.
now the process is.
No, I'm saying what is the
Around
total
not
what is
so-
what should be your strength and what is the strength in which you are working. So you also mention that also.
I'll get that instruction.
That is also one thing. So I want to put that in also in my order. Okay. Next.
Item 33.
Because there is a case and he
30
has paid part amount.
33.
Yes, 33.
Now it is solved.
It is up. 1,30,000.
Okay, learn counsel for the petitioner submit that. He has repaid the.
I am for the
and-
bank. I am for the
sorry, bank submit that. The you are for the petitioner.
I am for the bank, opposite party.
Opposite party bank has submitted that the petitioner has repaid the entire amount.
No, not it.
Huh?
Matter has been settled, 1,30,000, he has paid 13,000.
Oh, settle. Okay, the matter, the loan amount has been settled
At 1,30,000.
at 1,30,000.
30,000.
30,000.
Yes.
30,000.
And he has paid 13,000. Balance he will pay within 90 days.
But he has already paid 30,000 and the
13,000.
balance 1 lakh rupees.
13,000.
1,3.
13,000 he has paid. 1 lakh.
He has paid 13,000 and the balance 1 lakh shall be paid
1 lakh
within
17,000 shall be paid within 90 days.
17,000.
Yes.
Okay, 1,17,000 shall be paid within
90 days.
90 days. Okay. So, what's that? If the petitioner fails to repay this said amount within the prescribed time frame, the bank is free to
Legal action.
initiate any legal action as per law. Disclosure. Next,
Item 34.
34.
May I please, Your Lord? Identical matter has been posted to 6th August 2024.
What is the matter about?
Matter about regularization of a driver of DRDA.
DRD.
DRDA. That is identical matter, Your Lord.
It is on 6th August.
6th August.
Okay, let the matter be posted on 6th August.
Along with that, I have given that.
Along with,
That's not-
please give that order. Along with reproduction civil number 15097 of 2014. Hello? Yes, please. 6th August. Next.
35.
I am the petitioner for first petition. The petitioners here they have challenged.
Yes.
They have challenged
You
the
have filed, sir? Mr. Das?
Yes, madam. We have filed there.
Sir, ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଏଟ୍ ଏ ଟାଇମ୍ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିପାରିବି। ସେ just one by one. Yes, but you filed your reply?
Yes, I filed to. In fact, before the direction, we had already filed. That's why that noting is there that we have not filed. But in
Okay.
fact, before the
You had
direction,
filed.
we had filed. In each case, we have filed an affidavit where what will happen.
Okay.
after direction I have filed also.
So you want to file a rejoinder?
The reply to the.
Yes, sir. You want to file rejoinder? Sir, just Answer my question. You want to file rejoinder? At that time, you should not say that we are not given opportunity.
At the time of a hearing, after everything is complete, the
Not
matter-
complete. No, everything was not
Sir,
complete.
again, hearing hela, ଆପଣ ସେତେବେଳେ last 2 months before ମୁଁ sir ଟିକେ
It is not complete, sir.
ଗୋଟେ minute ମୁଁ sir କହିଦିଏ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ minute ସମୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I'm
ଦୁଇ
not
ମାସ
going away.
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ହିୟରିଂ ବେଳେ ଯେ ଯୋଉ 68 ପୋଷ୍ଟଟା ସେମାନେ ଜଏନ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତାରି ଉପରେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯେ କୋଉ କୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ସେଇ ମେରିଟ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ବେସିସ ରେ this issue will be decided. ଆଜ୍ଞା ଛୁଟି ପୂର୍ବର କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଭ୍ୟାକେସନ ପୂର୍ବର after vacation when again matter came they again procured the time to file the affidavit. Now they are saying before my lord's direction we have already filed the affidavit. जो additional affidavit ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେଇଥିରେ ହିଁ ସେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ ଯେ 333 ପୋଷ୍ଟ ରୁ 332 ପୋଷ୍ଟ ରୁ 268 ଟା ଆମେ ଦେଇଛୁ ଆଉ 68 ପୋଷ୍ଟ
After direction this fact matter
issue before your lordship and your lordship has had this matter on this point and directed them to file the affidavit. Now they are saying we have already filed the affidavit. That affidavit we do admit that affidavit was filed much prior to that on the basis of which we made the submission before your lordship.
So nothing fresh was filed.
I will only clarify my submission, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, why I made such a submission, my lord, is because we have stated that presumptively if that ex-serviceman quota is not done, then who will come in the zone of consideration? So that, my lord, addresses my lord's question. Query what I believe, my lord. That is why we have not filed a fresh
After direction of this honorable, I have filed affidavit on 8/6/24. My lord senior is on this. And 8/6. After direction I have filed and I have given a categorical at what is the cut-off date for not taking in the cut-off map, and if ex-serviceman is excluded, what is the cut-off date? I have given in that affidavit.
See the first matter.
Yes.
Yes, in the first batch of matters, independent of all other things, whatever it has been submitted on the legal issues. So all these petitioners, by assuming that, see, they are qualified otherwise, their eligibility marks, all these candidates, they are below the cutoff marks, which where the last candidate got the seat. So there is no question of getting into any of the merits in this first batch of matters. Rest of things others will answer. That affidavit marks everything that has been clarified, that is shown. So nothing remains so far as first matter is concerned.
Okay.
In my case, my lord,
The first matter, Mr. Natarajan is arguing the first matter.
First matter.
So that is already.
No, I'll file a rejoinder. Since they
That's
told,
why I'm asking, sir, if you want to file the rejoinder.
I want to
please
file
do
rejoinder. I want to file
Say,
rejoinder.
no, we are not
No,
going to file.
first matter,
If you want to file rejoinder, I want to finish it. I don't want to unnecessarily drag it.
Let them file the additional affidavit, because in one case they have filed.
In
On
my-
the last occasion, we made a mention.
Additional liberty up to them. Why are you filing them?
In one case.
If they want to file, they want to.
Whatever affidavits have,
given to us.
who are eligible, we have filed the affidavit. Let them decide that.
When your lordship will hear the matter finally.
I'll-
We have
I'll-
filed finally. We have filed finally.
I am ready to hear it finally now also.
The affidavit has been filed by the NCN.
If you are ready to argue, I am ready to hear. Are you ready?
Yes,
to
in my
argue?
case, I am ready, my lord. My serial number is 4.
Okay.
So
So-
item 4, I am ready.
So Mr. Nataraj in item 1.
Yes.
So that
Yes,
is that is our.
W
That's
Vishnu
over.
459/16.
Okay. Then you are into.
I mean, all other cases, on that basis, only 2 other persons are coming. So we have filed affidavit in that they will be considered.
Last two matters, my lord, they are coming within the zone of consideration, and others are not coming, my lord. Now in.
Do a short note.
Okay, we will.
Okay.
If your lordship desire, we will do.
Then you want to argue?
My lord, in last case, my lord, last item. Because they have not given the.
Sir, go one by one. If you want to argue, please start. Otherwise, I am fixing a date for when you are comfortable to argue. Tell me.
Let me to argue the matter.
You want to argue?
Yes.
Okay. All of other counsel. Are you ready? All of you are ready. Then only. Or one will argue, then other will again type.
My lord, in my case.
Okay.
In my case.
So you will adopt his argument.
all the matters are similar.
You'll adopt his argument.
No, let them at least a copy of the additional affidavit which they have filed in the first case. If it is, they will give us, we will give a reply. They are not filing the additional affidavit in our case.
My lord, I'll just address his concern. My lord, what has happened? We have given an affidavit. If the ex-serviceman quota is not given, then what will be the position? And if that is not considered, ESM quota is not considered, only last two petitioners in the last two cases, they are coming in the zone of consideration, though they were earlier not coming in the zone of consideration. Now, my lord, even if now if this case is argued, it would be an academic exercise because
they have Millers, they have considered up to 31.5 marks for ex-servicemen in the general. And they said
What if any additional affidavit is filed?
I guess it has a what a first case.
copy 31.5 let them consider 31.5 for all because they have taken the general category, they have taken 31.5 as the cutoff mark.
How can hearing you all the merit of the case, it also will decide on the merit the time of hearing.
I am fixing it for final hearing on 5th 2 p.m.
Additional affidavit or copy.
So in the meantime, whatever copy you want to have, don't ask me for the time. I'm fixing it for final hearing. Sir, please, there should be some.
So far as my case is concerned.
Sir, all your case will be heard, sir. I'm fixing a date on.
Yes, on 5th.
I'm fixing a time also, so that sometime it gets delayed now unnecessarily.
But so far as my case is concerned.
Anyway, sir, 6th.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
6th.
Can I make a small request?
Oh, sorry, sir. Not 6. There will be problem. We have another matter fix. 7.
7th would be fine. Actually, physically, I'll be present in the court. I have some other matter.
Oh, sir, you come, please come physically.
Please.
7, then I'm fixing 7, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 7. I am not fixing any other matter on 7.
My lord.
At 2 p.m. There will be no other matter.
My lord, so far as my case is concerned.
Sir, whatever case, please.
No, they have already accepted affidavit filed.
On that day, you tell me, I'll forget, sir. I have very poor memory. Sorry, I can't remember. Sir, if we argue today, I can't remember. You have to reserve your energy for that day.
All matters are 7.
So do one thing.
All
All of you give me a written note of submission on that day and also a list of date.
And regender if any in the meantime.
And that is up to you, sir.
To this affidavit, we have objection.
Okay, up to you. Whatever you want to file. Please give the regender as and when you are filing. First you serve them, then only it will be accepted by the registry. Okay, like Supreme Court. Here you don't give and clandestinely go and file. That is not allowed.
In advance.
You have to please give them in advance.
Yes.
Please give them in advance. Okay. And final hearing, no further time.
No.
Okay, final hearing. So finally 7 2 p.m. Okay. 7th out. Okay.
Your Lordship, item number 40 relating to OS promotion. But counter the
Code 40
item number 40.
40.
Government counter the
Okay, 40.
40 more. 40.
40.
40.
State देनी.
ना counter देना. Government counter the OS promotion matter.
40 टिके देखो कौन है जी? एडे कितने नंबर है?
ଏବେ 37 ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ।
अब 40 को केंद्र पड़ोसी दियो। टिके अटकी जान दो। मझे 50 दिया। एडे की भलो। मैटर पहुंची ना पड़े आसन। क्यों 40 पहुंच गया?
Item 37.
37.
I am for the opposite party, CISF.
Your Lordship, I may be allowed to present before Your Lordship on behalf of my learned senior.
Let it come. Let it
Lordship, may I
next week any date might fix.
He is not ready.
Next week any date might fix. I will confirm.
Okay, 1st August. No, 1st August not next week. This is 9th, 8th August. 9th August वाले 9th August
9th August.
ठीक है get ready with a note of submission written
Lordship,
note of submission
I have already filed a
you
written notice.
got it very good
It's matter listed.
you also madam give me a copy madam please give me a copy next
Item 39.
39 39 नहीं की
Filing of return or submission.
अच्छा आपण दिले other side देजी
Other side was I they filed.
other side देजी
So they this one.
Petitioner agent, opposite party. Petitioner validation. खाली petitioner agent, opposite party देनी.
opposite party state था
State.
yes आपण दे देंगे हेगला you are giving today not ready tomorrow ठीक है day after tomorrow लगे दे outside for filing next
Item 40.
40
Item 40 matter relating to OS promise on counter the Vathila government. Sir, last occasion 10 days time मागिथि.
ସେମାନେ ସରକାର ଟିକେ ଏବେ ମଝିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଜୁଲା ସରକାର transition phase ରେ so give them some time okay 12th August and ask the state to file the counter affidavit before the next date of listing and rejoinder if any
15 days time.
आपको 15 चाहिए और इनको टाइम नहीं चाहिए so list the matter on 27 then 27 है ना 15 days rejoinder if any file within 2 weeks thereafter next
Item 41.
May I
41.
please, Your Lordship? Very small matter. Your Lordship.
What is the matter?
Is like this.
41
Madam. This petitioner approached the tribunal, state administrative tribunal for regularization. Order was passed.
what are you sir first tell me what are you
Junior clerk on consolidated wage basis. I was.
junior work with where did you work
You know, that is in the district sub-register office, Koraput.
district sub register office
Koraput.
then what happened
What happened? When services
after how many years of your service you went to the tribunal
that is after 94 and to give all the financial and consequential service benefit.
then what happened
That is very clear. Order.
then what happened
Then state government did not implement it, approached this honorable court. This honorable court dismissed that case filed by the state government, then directed no you implement. Then he went to Supreme Court, that's state government, my lord.
Then?
SLP filed. SLP was dismissed. So question is, they regularized
in this case only or any other
no, in this case, particularly in the case of
this
the
same petitioner
same petitioner.
then what happened?
Petitioner has not gone, state government.
But against the same petitioner
Same petitioner.
okay then
What happens in the both the forum, in the High Court and also in the Supreme Court lost state government. Then order was implemented. What implemented? That is implemented. My services was regularized with effect from 2015, but consequential and financial benefit in respect of promotional post was not given. For that reason, last occasion, your lordship has
promotional post means
that is junior clerk.
when did you join
Joined in the year 1994.
94
After 5 years.
when you are regularized
Your lordship, kindly see that is they have
year कौन तो कितने देखियो where year कौन तो केबे regularize ले
सेटा होची 2018 रे आगे रेगुलराइज कले जोटा तापरे आगे कोन हला से रेगुलराइज करके आया किंतु consequential और service
माने consequential benefit केबे तो देबे जोने
के समान देबा कथा आगे order is very clear, there is no ambiguity in the order. जे 500
order रे दिया clear
देथिला ट्रिब्यूनल ऑर्डर रे
कोन कहला
पैराग्राफ 1 very small order
कोन कोन
पहले एथि in view of the above facts and analysis thereof, keeping the view of the earlier order of the tribunal that has sought passed in respect of the applicant, relying on the decision of the tribunal and other similar matter, we direct the state respondent to take immediate step for regularization of service of the applicant by relaxing Rule 3 of OMS Rule 1985 and grant him all consequential service as well as financial benefit with effect from 7/8/1974 as he has been continuing service from the said date without any break, without taking any further action pursuant to Annexure 8. The entire exercise will be completed within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of copy of this order. ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା 7/8/1994 ଠୁ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ କରିବେ OMS ରୁଲ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ
नहीं कोड लगा फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट फ्रॉम 7/8/1994 लिखा है जी
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ page 17 your lordship kindly see that is which record is which
then why have you not done
ଆଜ୍ଞା
sir?
first last କଥା ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଚାରିଥିଲେ ଯେ it's a clear order.
Yes.
Look, so far as the financial benefit is concerned, my lords, we have already granted. That is that in Annexure A/5, page number 4, my lords. Now my learned senior is seeking a prayer. He has already been promoted from junior clerk to senior clerk, my lords. Now he is seeking promotion to the post of head clerk, my lords. Lords, as per the rules, your lordship, there are 2 criteria for promotion from junior clerk to senior clerk, my lords. First is that, as per the new amended rules, that they have to complete 2 years of service. Because this rule only.
You have to go by that.
Yes, this rule only the tenure from 5 years has been relaxed to 2 years. Back then it was 5 years, now it is 2 years. Rest everything is the same. Because there is a rule which says that they will have to have passed a departmental examination prescribed under Rule 15. So unless they pass the departmental examination under Rule 15, they cannot claim seniority, my lords. They cannot claim promotion to the rank of senior clerk, your lordship. So
You pass the department exam.
My lord, later on, but that is your lordship.
So exactly. So when the date when the passes.
My lord, that is your lordship. I have also mentioned that departmental examination he has passed. But question is, lordship,
सर सेटा कहू ना अंतिम से आगल पड़ी छड़ी छड़ी केबे पास कले
departmental examination, your lordship. That is the code. But your lordship, issue is not
Sir,
there.
I am not.
Your lordship, I could
answer
follow.
my question. Issue may be,
Your lordship,
this will have some link to the issue.
my lord.
Whenever I am asking something, there is some linkage.
My lord.
Yes.
I have to see when they pass the departmental examination. Let's try to give somebody.
So he is, I mean, he has been considered from the date of passing of that exam.
Looks that we have not specified in the counter, but that is the rule, your lordship. Until and unless there are 2 conditions, if both the conditions are not satisfied, my lords, we cannot consider. Even if the order says so, that has to go as per the rules, your lordship. Consequential benefit has to flow as per the rules. So therefore, I'll also take instruction, my lords, because that is not there. Let him also show on which date he passed the examination under Rule 15.
My lord, that is what.
I am fixing on Monday.
May I clarify?
Monday.
Only one sentence, I will not tell.
तो बोली जी सर मंडे
सिंपल जिनस 94 मसीह रेगुलाराइज है सेतबले रूल थिला 5 वर्ष पर सीनियर क्लर्क हम जूनियर क्लर्क नेक्स्ट 5 वर्ष
एग्जाम नथिला
only
टेस्ट नथिला किछि
my lord this that is depart here to pass departmental examination and has served 5 years continuously
तो आपण से डिपार्टमेंट पास कले की
आज्ञा सेही उटा
सेरा के पास कले
my lord that is I have to take instruction for that
सेटा तो important
no but
because your promotion is not
the friend which I submitted that is the rule 2013 that rule is not
so 1983 your lordship.
So, but in that rule also the passing of departmental
yes it's there yes.
everywhere in the new rule as well as in the old rule
that's
that is
please tell me when we need to pass okay okay Monday next
item 42
my lord your lordship directed to
Lordship had called for the result of the petition seal cover.
key exam thla what is the exam
Lords, this is that nursing exam, Lords. GNM.
So what are the issues? She was
age relaxation, my lord. Age relaxation during
marks, you have secured very poor marks, you can't be.
Then your lordship dispose of it.
Huh? The order data from the Orissa, the rescue was directed to communicate. This is the Orissa staff, subordinate staff selection commission Bhubaneswar was directed to publish the result of the petitioner, which has not been published as per the orders of the High Court. Which date order? Which is the date?
Lords, the first, it was passed on 15/1/2021, your Lord.
In one, sorry?
21.
Past in which petition is same
Yes, my Lord, this.
in this present petition. However, as per the letter issued by the Secretary, Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission Bhubaneswar, the following is the result of the report for the accordingly, the petitioner is far below the bottom mark prescribed for the SC candidate. No. Therefore, the case of the petition. Next. Take it back. Next.
Item 44.
44.
May I please also?
My lords, I'm on VC. I'm for OP number 3, your lordship.
What is the matter?
My lord, the petitioner had a bank account with opposite party number 3 in the Sindh Bank. Lord, a cyber attack was there. Some of my amount which was fixed in the bank, it was unauthorizedly deducted and transferred to some other bank.
How much amount?
4,36,000.
What is the explanation for that?
Immediately, I made a complaint before the police station.
What is the explanation by them?
Lord, till date, 1,50,000 has been returned back, but 2,86,000 is still on hold. They are not returning till date. And it's a matter of 2021, your lords.
My lords,
What happened? Why don't
your lordship.
Why don't you?
My lords, I will just clarify the facts what my friend has stated. They had preferred a release of property with 457 before the SDGM Cuttack. Learned SDGM, your lordship sees page 13 of their writ petition. Learned SDGM directed, we have whatever fund we have already released it to him. The next fund which was there with the opposite party number 4, 5 and 6, that is there with 4, 5 and 6. What has happened, your lordship, is the learned SDGM directed us to take necessary steps before the concerned banks to release.
That is still pending.
No.
That is still pending.
The direction has been given to return the amount. That is disposed of.
SDGM is still pending.
Disposed of.
That is disposed of, your lordship. That is disposed of. So what we did is that as per the direction given by the learned SDGM, we wrote a letter 4/8/2022 to all the other banks to release the money which has been there in their authority. So only OP number, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank, OP number 4, they reverted saying that there was no direct direction given to us, so we are not releasing the property. And OP number 5 and 6 never came up to our letter. So that is also annexed by the petitioner. We informed the petitioner stating that we have informed the police to release the property.
But the petitioner had deposited with your bank.
Yes,
My
he
lord,
is the original
my
bank.
lords,
So why should the
My lords,
petitioner
what has-
go to the other bank or
He is the
my lords,
original bank.
So
my lords,
it is
what
your
has
duty
happened
to
is,
return
my
back.
lords,
Nothing
ना
doing
आज्ञा सर सेटा
return
कथा
back.
ला कोन कि सर पैसा टा सर आम अकाउंट रु सर चारटा अकाउंट को पळेई गला
काहाटा
चारटा
account
अकाउंट
गला
जे कि सेटा होल्ड हे गला
he is concerned with his account. It is in your bank and you have to give it
I
back.
admit
So
to that,
gala,
sir. I
why
wrote
should he follow that money?
sir I wrote a letter to the other
Did
concerned
not
bank
change.
to say पैसा
It is
release
your
कर
duty.
दियंतु
You are duty bound to pay back.
sir I did sir I did
The
sir
bank is directed to take instruction within what time the bank is going to repay him.
sir गोटे मिनिट सर टिकेट सुनि दियंतु सर सर प्लीज टिकेट नै सर मोर सबमिशन टा 5 मिनिट सुनि दियंतु सर टिकेट
5
सर मो
मिनिट सुनिबा
स्टेप्स
नाही
नहीं
मोर
सर
आपण पैसा
सर
आपण
मो सर मो स्टेप्स नहीं
आपण
नहीं
बैंक रे
सर
ଅଛି
मो
ମୁଁ ଅଲଗା
स्टेप्स
बैंक रे
नहीं
को ପାଇଁ ବୁଝିଲି
तांको अकाउंट को पळेछि पैसा सर मु तांको 4/8/2022 रे कहली
सर
से टंका उडा आज्ञा
आपणको अकाउंट आपणको बैंक रे से पैसा रखिथिले आपणको बैंक रु पळेछि कोन इट इज
सेठू साइबर फिशिंग रे चारटा अन्य अकाउंट को पळे गला
दैट इज योर साइबर सिक्योरिटी आपण करबा कथा यू हैव नॉट मेंटेन साइबर
सर मु सेति पय त सर तांको ऑर्डर हैला परे हमें बाकी बैंक को कांटेक्ट कलु सर
मागी आईसीआईसी बैंक जोडी
सर टिके सुनिबे सर 5 मिनिट सर जस्ट 5 मिनिट
सुनिबार नहीं इथरे किछि सुनिबार नहीं
सर टिके सर नथले सर एटा सॉरी नै सर एटा एड्रेस हेई परिबो
बिल्कुल एड्रेस मु करबी मु सीधा आपन बैंक को छाड़ देबी आपन बैंक जागो लगा
सर हमें तो तांको चिट्ठी लिखो से तो दो ना सर
She is appearing for OP4
I am least bothered about को बैंक कुआडे गला मु गोटे बैंक को जाने से गोटे बैंक दबा
Indosin Bank,
बस
Chandi Chowk branch, Box Bazaar.
the land cards with the bank
OP3.
OP3 is directed to take instruction to repay back the entire amount of the present petitioner केते दैछन्ती सुपर
नि वर्तमान सुधा 2,86,000 some order is pending
out
of 4,36,000.
the outstanding amount which has not been credited to the petitioner account which was unauthorizedly debited from the account of the petitioner which was with the OP number 3 bank and 1 week time is granted to the opposite party OP3 bank to take instruction.
Let it come on 12th of
Comply
August.
with the order. No, nothing. Upon the
12th of August
I
आसु
will
सर
let the explanation मत सुनियो दरकार
ना सर 12th of August रे आसु सर
मु किछि सुनिबिनी आपण पूरा within 7 days
सर 12 मु ना सर 12
आपण
अगस्त रे आसु
आपण मैनेजर को एठी छिडा करियो डाकिबी एठी
ना सर मु कोइ 12 अगस्त रे आसु
से काहे कि से लोक अलगा का पक जीवो जोडू पैसा
ना सर से जीवनी सर से जाइनी सर आमे लिखितु चिट्ठी एमाने सर फेरो ना दे
चिट्ठी
पैसा
लिखु तांतो जा कर आपण पैसा दार जाची पैसा देबे से आपण चिट्ठी पैसा लिखु तुम जा कर
आमे सर एमान को लिखुछु से माने हमु पैसा फेरे दियंतो बोली माने दउ ना
कोडी कोन आइले आपण बुझिबे पछे आगत तक पैसा दे because you are
Sir,
the
direction नहीं करी बस
you are the custodian
direction-
it is your duty to
Sir,
protect
I
the
understand, sir. I respect whatever Lordship is saying, but sir, 4/8/2022 रे we have intimated this other banks तांका पाखरे से टंका जो जाईती सेठी हम
कौन
फेटे
कले
दियंतो
कौन मु जाने नहीं मु पैसा 12 तारीख लगे अगस्त 12 तारीख सुधा आपण देबे पैसा you have to pay
सर हमें अगर 12 तारीख के I'm trying to set do job something
okay sir settle that out now you tell your manager and I will fix responsibility on him
सर 12 तारीख दिन सर मु देखु सर
ठीक अछि आपण केमती करिवे को बैंक रो आनिबे सेडा आउट योर इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम व्हाई शुड दिस
सर हमें ऑलरेडी से प्रोसेस करिथिलो दे आर नॉट रिस्पोंडिंग टू
मु सुनिबा नहीं ओके नेक्स्ट आइटम
Lordship fix of date.
बोलिबे 12
Obliged.
12 नेक्स्ट
Item 46.
46
Item number 46, no? It's a regulation letter. I am for the petition only. My
bank
this is LIC
Housing Finance.
My regulation letter dated 10th May 2024 is pending, and in the meanwhile, this scheme of one settlement scheme is available. Party will approach to the. with the- I'm a-
Tomorrow only. This month, concession is there. And he didn't avail that concession.
Lord, taken the housing loan, my availability period of payment 2034 পর্যন্ত আছে In the meanwhile, we had approached to the bank, LIC.
Regularize କରିଦେବାରେ
हाँ,
କଣ
ये
ଅଛି?
that is the, I have my reputation
ପଇସା
pending.
ପଇସା ଦେଲେ ସେ
Consider
release
କରି,
କରିଦେବେ।
ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି, let them. No, this 10th May 2024 representation has not been considered. Then let them consider.
Sir,
I will
last
dispose
order-
of this.
Last order, that is 6/5/2024.
Yes, after that I have approached.
Solve the problem. Learn counsel without going to the merit of the case. Learn counsel with the petitioner submit
That is my respect.
He has approached the OP number.
Milord, OP number, Milord.
Okay.
What?
One.
Good.
Number one. Video.
One to Jonathan.
10/5/2024, 24, and the said representation is still pending. And counsel with the petitioner is directed to approach the bank within 3 working days from today.
My lord.
The bank shall dispose of the said representation. Considering the grievance of the petitioner
In its letter,
in
spirit
the
of the
light of
the representation. The representation dated.
As per law,
Dispose of.
my lord, 6
dispose of sir
अच्छा।
ऐसे केस में रखी
consider say clearly.
Okay,
So,
आओ कहीं
जाएगा
आ सॉरी गलत था अलग केस में
Milord, excuse me, instead of
Regulation by
Milord, instead of bank, financial institution. Lordship, lordship, financial. Obliged.
NBFC. Next.
Item 48.
48. If we use
Discuss the power jurisdiction and 500 excessive power by the consumer forum, Ganjam, has been challenged, which in ascertaining the dispute related to assessment matter under 126 of the Electricity Act. My lord, I am appearing for the.
That in this particular case, sale notice has been issued.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କରନ୍ତୁ ନା ମତେ କାହିଁ ପୁଣି ଆଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Order
ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ଆପଣ ସଲ୍ଭ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଣ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ପଜିଟିଭଲି କରିବେ ନେଗେଟିଭଲି ଆପଣ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ ହ୍ୱାଇ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଟେଲିଂ ଅଲ୍ ଦିସ୍
ଖାଲି ନୋଟ କରି ତମେ ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଫର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଠିକ ଲାଗିଲା ନେବେ ନହେଲେ
No, my lord.
କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ
18/7 ରେ ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆମେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ
ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କର
ଖାଲି ରେକର୍ଡ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ
କଣ ପାଇଁ
18/7 ରେ ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ହେଇଛି।
ଏଇ ସବୁ ଆପଣ କରିବେ କିଛି କରିବେ ଇଏ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠିକି ଆପଣ କଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବେ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ଏତେ କଥା କହିବେ yes
Item 48.
In view of the Supreme Court decision, the classic term A, my lord, this assessment relates to assessment is not maintainable. And my lord, the proceeding I have prayed for quashing of the proceeding.
My lord, I am appearing for the consumer. My lord.
Hearing.
କୋଉଠି ଯାଇଥିଲେ consumer forum
My lord, I have been to the consumer forum.
That is pending, my lord. The very institution
I have alleged my lord's deficiency of service.
sir that is pending
Yes, pending. My lord.
then why have you come here
I have not come, my lord. He has come.
My lord, despite repeated orders of my lord, my lord,
No.
the cases are filed relating to assessment and the forum is entertaining, my lord. That is why I have come. My lord, you may see the prayer in the complaint petition I have filed. My lord, he has.
okay
My lord, sir, I am praying, my lord, limited submission, my
sir
lord.
no submission is required sir the wrong forum ku jibe
No, it's not the wrong forum, my lord. It's not. It's not the wrong forum, my lord.
yes it is a wrong
It's
forum
not the wrong forum, my lord.
wrong forum
I'll illustrate through the.
pass order according
My lord, I'll illustrate through the
is a
judgment of the apex court, my lord.
no apex code
My lord, unfair trade practice.
apex code
My lord, say part time dekhuchi, madam. My lord, is the consumer forum bars for entertaining electricity disputes in relation to unfair trade practice, my lord?
forum ko jinsa pai
My lord, sir, lekha hai my lord, said he.
give me the judgment
My lord, sir, I'm filing the written note also,
Give
my
me
lord.
that.
The judgment, my lord. Same judgment, my lord.
okay
Last page.
order is up
My lord, Electricity Act.
okay order is up give me your
My
note
lord, I have given my note, my lord. Your lordship
give me
will
note.
permit me 2 minutes.
okay argue
My lord, particularly states, my lord, the same judgment. Your lordship should refer to the last page of the judgment, my lord. It
let
says
me read it
Electricity Act 2003 and Consumer Protection Act 1986 runs parallel for giving redressal to any person who falls within the meaning of consumer
under section 21D of the Consumer Protection Act or the central government or the state government or association of consumers, but it is limited to dispute relating to unfair trade practice or restrictive trade practice adopted by the service provider. If the consumer suffers from deficiency in service or hazardous service, the service provider has a charge price fixed by under the law. My lord. It particularly permits, my lords, if there is an allegation of unfair trade practice.
Okay, I'll pass out. Next. Give me a note if you want to go.
My lords, I have given my note.
Oh, next.
Item 49.
49.
In this case, I am appeared. Opposite party number 7, the private opposite party.
For the petitioner lordship, for the petitioner, this matter is OPLE. Conducting counsel is not well lordship.
It's a not a OPL minors, it's a interstate dispute, it's a private dispute minors. Your lordship can see.
Yeah, see what time left. Longas for the petitioner 6 time, 7th August, 30.
Lordship kindly interrogate to continue.
14
My interrogate is there.
Next.
Item 52.
52.
Interrogate.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
Next.
item 52, Your Lordship, on behalf of the petitioner, I'm 52. I'm filing the written note of submission.
I'm filing the additional written notes.
Next. Hey, what are they doing? Something you didn't know. Next.
Item 53.
53, Your Lordship, is to not.
I am appearing on behalf of OPL number 2, my lord. Let him serve an extra copy.
I'll serve the extra copy in course of the day, Your Lordship. I'll serve the extra copy in course of the day.
20th August. Next.
Lordship, OP2 ପାଇଁ ସେ OP3 ପାଇଁ government. OP3 government को ଦଉଛି copy.
My name be reflected in the college list.
ଏଠି ଦେଲେ ହୁଏନି ଆମେ ସେଠି ଦେଲେ ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ ନହେଲେ କରୁନୁ
Lordship,
ଏଠି ଧରେଇଲେ ଆମେ କରୁନୁ ଯାହା କରିବେ ସେଠି କରିବେ ଭାଇ
OP3
next time ଆସିବ
Lordship, issue notice kindly glance. Issue notice OP2, 3, 4, 5. 2 ପାଇଁ my Lordship, Mr. Raigurs. Other than 3 ପାଇଁ government. 4 and 5 ପାଇଁ. Lordship,
I will file in registry.
Next.
4, 5 ପାଇଁ Mr. Rajit Rai is appearing in the Axis Bank, Your Lordship. Noting is that unserved.
give me a copy
already informed, Your Lordship. Name
copy
भी
दे दियନ୍ତୁ
copy देଇ
okay ना next date दे
record कर दियନ୍ତୁ आगे से କହିଛନ୍ତି ନେବେ ବୋଲି Rajit Rai. Mr. Rajit Rai for OP 4 and 5.
next 55
55.
Item 55.
21st August
notice
कागज लिखि दियନ୍ତୁ एंदी नाम रिफ्लेक्ट करियो
notice about Your
कागज
Lordship.
लिखि दियନ୍ତୁ
Earlier
ताले नाम रिफ्लेक्ट करियो
Lordship, 53 earlier notice already served, already wiped out, Your Lordship.
ओ आज्ञा हला जेतळे आसीबो नेक्स्ट डे देखा जिवो कोतरे
notice टा हेई सारथिला ना से notice टा
हला कोन जे आसीबो से आसीबो
समस्त appear करि गेल समस्त 2 3 4 5 ପାଇଁ appear करि गेल
करि गेले ना ठीक अछि आसीबो नेक्स्ट डे काई चिंता करू हला नेक्स्ट
Item 56.
My counter not had appeared, my lord.
Lordship, I have filed my wakalatnama today. Need 2 weeks time to file a counter affidavit.
pity
Lordship, all the opposite parties. J.R. Deo, Your Lordship.
या देवरी
Deo, D-E-O.
देव getting for 1 2 3
Lordship.
6 2 weeks time to file the reply 16th August
Lordship.
next
57.
57, opposite are directed to file written note of submission.
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ ଦେଇଛି ଯେ ଦିନେ ଅର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଆପଣ ଫେଟିକ୍ ଡେଭଲପ କଲାଣି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି କରିବାର ଅଛି
ହଁ ଟିକେ କହିଦେଇଗଲେ ଭଲ
no fatigue nothing fatigue ଯେ ଚୁଚାଟା ସେ କେସରେ କିଛି ନଥିବ ଆର୍ଗୁ ଗଲା ଫେଟିକ୍ ଆସିବ
Regarding regulations.
there are some cases where you know everybody knows that the case is what and still they insist
ଏତେଟା ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ରେଗୁଲେସନ ମୁଁ ସେମାନେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଦି ୱିକ୍ ପାର୍ଟି
okay argue କରିବେ ତ କାଲି ରଖିଦେବା day after tomorrow
କାଲି हो
okay नहीं day after tomorrow କାଲି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଯିବ ଫାଇଲ ଲିଷ୍ଟିଂ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
2 ତାରିଖ ନା ରହିବ 1 ତାରିଖ ନା ରହିବିନି
2 ତାରିଖ ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ କରିତେ
ଆପଣ ଏଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି
1 ତାରିଖ ମୋର ପର୍ସନାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
ଏନି ଡେଟ୍ ୟୁର ଲର୍ଡସିପ
5th ରଖିଦେଇଛୁ ହେଲା
ହଁ
next
Item 59.
59,
beg your pardon, my lord. Matter may kindly be taken up next week.
21st August.
I may pardon, my lord, in item 51, my
Oblige me.
44, in item 44,
Upon Gaga now.
in item 44, my presence be recorded, my lord.
Okay. Upon presence achi
I am for the opposite party number 4, Kotak Bank. Kotak.
I think you are there. You must record his name also. Every time I forget. Okay, ठीक है.